Mommy, why daddy so stingy with money?
Hey, you have to go ask Jesus. Some man stingy, some man kind. I know every man I same thing. Me just end up to pick up one man with stingy. But don't worry yourself, Miguel. You know me always I try to do like a hustling on the side. You know, work on them something there. Yeah, sell me little bag juice and my cheese chips. And my little biscuit. And you know, me go to school, go sell and then something there. You know, a little pitney them, me know what they love already. You know, a little pitney them love the little nice things them.
Yes, ma'am.
So me go to school, go sell. I show a holiday, you know. Me not watch no fit. I will see that for me.
Daddy, me thirsty. My cock want something to eat.
Me not even come here good. Me just have come off of work and hear when you just have beat me say, Daddy, me thirsty.
But I can't give me something to eat, because you
I
just
have
have
your mother there, so you have your mother here, so. I'm me alone, you see?
But I'm me alone, me always I see.
Why?
So daddy, what $100 can do?
How the first thing you say me response, sir? You're thirsty. Say if you don't want it, me gladly will put it in my pocket. Hold on, baby. No cook. Oh no. What happened again?
More money if you buy 4 pound of chicken back, 3 pound of rice and 2 pack of curry with 1 onion and one tomato, 1 sweet pepper and little bit of oil.
Man,
So-
remember now over there, so I
And a banana.
and sugar done too.
And the sugar done, we can't mix no drinks. And you always ask for drinks like you put on drinks. Come. I remember say we not no fridge, we have to go down so.
And the tissue too,
Don't have the
mommy.
woman name Miss Miracle buy a piece of ice. Money.
Can't buy a few more banana trash.
Hey, top chat them step on road, you know.
Money.
Banana like that.
Top chat them step on road because I don't want to use it, you know. When you buy tissue by the dozen come in there, you don't see enough, you don't use enough.
Hello, let me tell you something from now. You see how much ears me here there?
Yeah.
Me had a 2 year before me.
18
Have
years
she?
now.
And she how much now?
16.
Okay. So you see how much here that there? Alright. And from you know me, you know say me ever constipate. No talk them something them. Me I use this you? How often?
Well,
Me use this but me not use it often. Me hardly go bathroom. No tell no like for me. You a don't know because when you go road and drink it dirty rum them and you come in with your rum belly and you eat a foolishness them when you nyam a road, the curry them when you cook good and sitting you come in there and come down out the whole like this. No tell no like for me pick me. Don't do it. Stop right there so.
oh yeah. The work with me I do, you know. You can't finance the chair. I don't like say. Me can go there to my boss and say raise me pay. My boss now do that. Overtime, me have to do the overtime.
You know give me money yet you know you're gone pan boss and overtime. I want the money to buy the chicken back, the rice, the sweet pepper,
Me
the
will-
onion
me
and the
will go-
oil and
me will
everything
go
on
buy
the the
myself.
curry and the sitting them.
The sugar too. And the
So you're
flour.
one of them too. So all of me not understand. Can me realize say the money now come in like how it used to come in. Everything cut short. I want me have a woman on road. No, me.
Never. I would never do that. Take up a man for you.
So why all of a sudden every time me want something to come in at the house we look about for we same one? You want to go to supermarket
No,
go buy.
alright, no,
So you want to go buy me stay free too?
I don't have a problem with that.
No, but no, me not understand this.
Remember
So why you can't give me money to make me as the woman go to supermarket go buy the things then?
Yeah, me remember, you know, you have to think you have to just pay attention to him.
Yeah, act like I said she a 3. You figure she how much me ask you again, she how much can you're a child.
16.
Okay. And how much here with it?
18 years now.
Okay. So, what problem? How much days are, let me see, 2 months, about 2 months, 1 week and one day. I day almost done, almost 1.5 days less till she is 17. Ramp with me. A long time she depend God earth. A time for she start who and a little thing could change from her daddy. Oh, me I work at school and I give her money now and again and any little thing. She her little roll on,
No,
her little stay for little lotion and
this
this
is
and
where you go
that.
wrong. She can go to a supermarket, but get an evening job.
So daddy,
bother
you
with
not work.
She not 18 yet, and me no want nobody stress out me picking up put no slavery on her so early. She not ready to go work yet. When she at 18 and she get her ID and all her stuff, them she go and go look at work. Oh God, man.
No, but
She not even reach 17 yet. Remember say she has 16 plus. You forgot?
they always say, you practice when you're young So when you're mature enough, you know what you do.
Look like that your mama and your papa used to do you. When you're 16, you then send you out to go look work.
No, when me 10, they go
No
climb
wonder why
guinea
you look so.
Me climb guinea tree, me cut guinea, me tie them up, and me go sell tourists, and me sell
So my daughter, you want to go climb guinea tree to make sure you have salad?
I never said that.
You want she drop out and she have salad?
Me never said that.
So when she damaged now and she meet her good husband in her real life, what go happen? How you go? You find a husband gear?
No.
You want to choose work gear before time. So when she reaches certain age, you want to choose her husband. Look here.
Ooh. Anybody can
Where
choose
did that
for
go?
them good luck.
Give me
down the road,
give me money and
You
go
know
on.
me I say? Hey.
What's your name? You don't know? Tiana. You forgot your one a pick name.
No, me no.
How what this?
Listen, when the Bex, me no call them by their name.
So
you vex?
Yes.
How vex you? Me
Because
ask
me
for
take
money.
out the $100 game, she a
Don't
star.
call me that and not him. She don't look like no him.
$100 can buy one water.
What $100 can do? Remember say she a big girl now, you know, she don't got kindergarten no more, you know. What 100, you act like a 100 USD a year.
How much picnic right now in the area right now that glad for $100 to buy 2 bags juice?
Not a them.
But you have a strong papa, they work all about can get all $15,000.
You know what me I say now? Me gonna make sure I say me get tissue today. And you see,
And
when you get tissue, what that mean?
anytime you roll off the tissue, you open it out.
Stop tell life on her. Are you always there for tissue and pushing your pocket keg road? Me don't know what you do with it. Don't do
show
it.
him how to save the tissue. It's when you roll off, you split in a two, so until you come down. So you put on that the half there. And you add that the half there you. So every time you roll off and roll for use wipe, you know, bother use the whole of that. You split in a two cause a 2-piece upon it. You open it off.
So you want to say? So, in this place where we live, you lack a tissue. No tissue in there?
No, I try reserve to conserve tissue. So you save tissue. Instead of you use the tick, remember I said tick, you know.
So why you roll up here and they push in your pocket and go with it? And you have problem with she using it. What is your problem
because
now?
she a waste it.
Waste it do what?
She a wipe off toilet seat.
See, you must wipe off toilet seat before you go upon. You think you're a woman nowadays?
I go to the daddy we used to wipe off girl lip off my mouth.
Woman, wipe off toilet seat. The woman them will know that. And we know if you do that about hygiene or sitting. Wipe off toilet seat put pan. You know why? Because we know nothing long out so and stretch out so. And when we go upon the toilet seat for wet up here. So when you go in the bathroom all the while, you know, lift up the cover and you stretch out so and turn on your pipe and wet up the whole place. You don't expect that you wipe it off. You have a problem. When you stretch out your pipe, your hose and turn on your pipe and wet up the whole place, and you expect she just sit down on it.
All right,
one about your business. What you tap for?
One on the funny road.
Give me a money you we did a come to. We want money to go a shop, go buy something.
Some people that work in it don't come.
Right up there. Right up there. Me tap run joke with you. And any day me say have no woman out the road. Lord Jesus. Heaven came down and glory fill your soul. Because you act like you're smarter than me. And me dream say I do something, but me just want to prove it first. Me not tell you a dream.
Why you never dream?
Give me money.
Look here. Let me tell you something. You see, you and your mother go stop company with that. It's embarrassing. Me not like it.
That's
so you think?
Where me live?
No.
Where me live?
Hold on there. How you think so we did I go?
Huh?
Are you where come to up at your workplace? Because me they call your phone for a long time and you not answer. Money. Who want to go shop?
Phone.
You don't see me call them, about 20 of them. Come.
Phone dead, man.
Give me money, let me go to supermarket. Me want go down.
Me say me I go down to go shop and come back.
Why you want?
Don't go on over
you
yard.
Alright, me hear what you say. Go on. Go on now. Come here, me daughter. Go on, me tell you that you make sure you say buy grocery them, you know. Come in and know me cannot want give you no money. How it is?
No.
So before you go, me ask you one last question. Like how you don't want give me the money for me go spend it. And you want go to supermarket like you are the woman and me are the man. You don't respect me no more for no say me your baby mother. Eh?
No,
so wait then no man. So me can start have one man where they give me money. Come on. You can't answer drunk crow. You can't answer. Drunk crow. You can't answer. How much ears me there? I mean, I give you no bun. Me well honesty and down to earth. And look for you. What make you can't give me no money all of a sudden? Go on, but boy, go like me to tell you what. Come.
Yes, baby, because your father said he'll meet him at the site and he'll go and give him some money for, you know? do certain things and
You should even meet him. Every day. He only come a yard and turn 1 2 weeks. And for every 9 months. Which man can have them picking and then come back for just 1 week or 2 weeks and then turn out of 9 months and then you just stand for that day and you go back. Cause sometimes it even spend a day, don't they?
Me know, baby girl, me know. You have to not understand. It's a work your father depend, a construction, and him depend contract. So when you see, that's why you're not short or nothing. You're not short or nothing. Just the other day you get the cracks and dirty them already, you know. That anything you ask for, anything you and your sister ask for, or when your sister don't belong to him, you look after it all of it. And the work him depend make him have the money to do that.
No work should I make one father go so long for their picnic.
Me know, but you don't know say say we're free and them say we're emancipated, but mentally a lot of we still in a slavery and still in the system. And the system is a way of the world. So him I forgot.
No him that's what come.
See, he never lets me down. So he can't really too complain. What?
Go on.
You alright, baby? You
Yeah,
good?
I'm good. Go on, my little one. You alright? How's school?
Daddy, don't question me. You're picking it and come like you neglect your kid.
How me neglect me every work? How you think me say I'm feed it to her?
And that me say.
Find a different work, then I top going so long for your picnic. I don't think your picnic miss you.
Yeah, man.
Your woman miss you too.
Right, but you have to understand this. I have to work. If me no work on mine, you know, boy, you say me a careless father. No, you say me workless. No, you say me
you
this and me that.
You can find other work where pay you. Same way I not make you work for so long.
Boss want me for the property. So I pay for the property and work.
You can't find the property with you.
No, but I wish if I could. But I cannot. I want to look about bed with the fam.
Oh, me sleep on the ground, you know?
No,
me no go high.
My feet on the ground. No, I don't want that for you.
She have a point though, Popeye, because to God, we miss you. The house empty and you provide food and everything.
Remember,
but nothing can replace you. And by the way, we...
Three ladies in the house. Well, alright. No, your daughter and my daughter.
Lady can't give me, my daughters can't give me what me want, you know. A long time, my garden. So till my bush dry up, Popeye.
Listen.
My bush, she a big girl now. Them say she reach legal age. Me nah lie.
Which legal age?
If you want it plain, Papa, me I give it to you.
Which legal age? And over and.
Eh?
She are legal age already until 22.
Well, all the same. She know the birds and the bees. I mean, I talking code all the same.
Any man you want to wait till you're 22, you have to have fully sense before.
So just know, say, my bush dry.
Which bush
dry, no worry.
Which bush? When I the bush yard.
The bush you go to eat.
Which goat there?
Huh?
Which goat there?
It dry, baby girl, it dry. So till if it dry, no more fire, I go take it and it need outing.
So that's everything of it.
It need outing, Papa, me not lie.
Mommy, which part of on fire?
Boy, one little bush around the corner here, but the burning bush, baby. The burning bush a bun hot, maybe. The burning bush a bun hot.
Listen, no.
And it needs some water for cool down the fire.
Why you don't use the toys that I buy you?
Oh, Lord.
Why you don't use
Mommy,
it?
Daddy.
I forgot use a different,
Daddy,
use a real man tie.
Mommy,
a real man tie, I forgot use them.
So. And she a play with tie?
Me a picnic, and a tie me grow. Me bitch fling with tie long time. A real life me a deal with.
When you're 22, you will understand. You understand?
Mm-hmm. But when I'm 22, I don't want a tie to play with. How may I do it tie?
You explain that part.
You won't need it one day. But here what me I say, you can use up it tie them. Play with them at night time and think of me.
Hear what me do? Me get a real dolly. But this dolly I go breed and eat and sleep and I'll hug back. And I'll tell me, said, me love you too. And you see when you pull the string from the dolly, and you pull the string from the dolly, and you pull the string from the dolly.
Mommy, only dolly wants to Chucky and Chucky kill people.
No man, this your Chucky not kill me. Me know how to control this your Chucky, baby.
Oh, so control the Chucky then. Go Tiffany, go.
That's why I still have to love you still, you know.
Mommy, I don't fear that. Come off the bed. Thank you, Father. Yes, I love you so much, Papa.
So put the money in your daughter and there's something else me wants in my hand. So you come home tonight?
No.
Aye, sir. We better phone for Delhi.
2 days in time, you see me. So you buy snacks, you go a munch pan, like go a supermarket you know. You buy some drop you off at home.
You gonna drop off food?
Yeah.
You gonna drop off something else too.
Yeah,
tell you said the burning bush a burn.
Alright, what's spend 1 hour with you? You know,
hey! Hour for hug. Huh? Drop this. But tell you said the bush a burn down. Hour now go do nothing.
2 hours.
Mommy call it firefighter if the bush a burn.
That me a go do. Hear my brainy picnic. My brainy picnic. Yes, baby girl. A fireman. You can phone when fire there. A true. You can go home and phone the fireman. No, man. You need a fireman for hose down the fire.
Oh, jump off in a pool or something. I don't try to understand.
Your book.
Yeah.
Because your mother losing it right now. So try now.
My mother?
Losing it.
Wow.
Yeah, so don't follow.
When no side more than 2 hours, you have to come round today.
Daddy, hurry up, go supermarket.
Go supermarket and come back. And when you come back like how thunder roll, and nothing sweeter than when you're locking at the house and rain a fall. So go supermarket and come back. And me put on the pots.
Alright.
Alright.
So none of me no stay free, nothing?
Huh?
Want 2 cologne.
Cologne?
Yeah.
Me need roll and auntie.
Oh, then especially there.
But nobody turn too long at the shop, you know. Cause remember, so the fireman have to come. So nobody spend too long at the shop. Now make me phone the fire brigade. Yeah? Alright, come.
For me.
Me kiss.
Tata? Listen to me now. You see your father will get me pregnant with you? You hear me?
Yes, mommy.
I know one good father, him is a sperms donor. When me just meet that the Monday, he was such a nice person. The nicest man ever on earth, me buck up. And his papa, my baby father. He didn't give me anything I want. But you see from me get pregnant with you? Jesus Christ. I don't know what happened, but the clock turned. What me say?
Clock turn.
The clock what? Turn. Him get what list harass somebody over him, me don't know, but he's not the same man when me meet from how much years now. 18 years ago me meet this man. We happened to be your father. Me not tell no lie. If me want go to supermarket, I him want go. If me want buy stay free, can you imagine? That is my personal thing, woman thing. Why him want go buy all of them something for me all the while? No, you are my daughter, and I your papa. And if you want them something, then you want go buy it for yourself. Me not know. To a female, here comes speaking of the devil, Jesus Christ, God.
Yeah.
Anyway, as me did I say to you, me did buy this for you.
Thanks, mommy.
Yeah, no buy that for you. Take that me did I talk about.
So hold on.
Keep by your mouth.
Why you never buy food with the money, don't buy this?
What?
Why you never buy food with the money?
Why me never buy food with the money instead of buy this? Yeah. You know, see the tag, Panny. And my daughter, you know look like you love your picnic, you know. So, make she stay. She will sleep with it. Make she stay with it.
Please, make this a serve your fee.
Let me see what this. What kind of soap this I buy?
Lasco.
Yeah, man.
How much soap? 4 soap coming on them?
Yeah, man.
So, how much money I pay for this?
That's about $200.
Oh, shut up.
$200?
$400.
So, why you never buy Irish Spring?
No, listen, they're my best soap.
Or Dove soap? I can't bother.
Best soap. You know what I say now? 4 of them. Share we. So, make sure for one serve for at least 2 to 3 months.
What you mean one soap for serve her for 2 to 3 months? So she must be at how much time for the month?
1.
Me not understand you. Papa, you change. You change like a money.
I conserve money.
Conserve your backside? What you mean conserve? All of a sudden you stop giving me money.
Alright,
I want to go to supermarket yourself. What the hell wrong with you?
This
Let me see this. Give me this, sir. You soon can't tell you if you throw some in a plastic bag and use.
No, you take the plastic.
What kind of soap this? Oh. SKD. Well, this not bad. So much money you pay for this?
I said $100, but hear me I say, make sure it serve for at least two months.
You could have buy springtime.
For what? How much is springtime?
How much is springtime?
A lot of money.
So you know they work, you know? So what is that? Salt?
No, Oxymax.
Oxy who?
Master.
Oxymax.
Master.
Oxymaster.
Where you wash clothes.
So what you do this? A cook?
No, you put in a clothes.
Oh, in a clothes you put it when you wash.
You
Okay.
complain about tissue again.
What you mean we not fi complain about this? But this man is not easy, so everything when you buy you take them out one and give me? You know want me to go to the supermarket and you finally go, and when you come here, they take them out and I chat about take time use this, take time use that, and not done this. You know, give me the bag with this. I don't want to buy one can beef, Jesus. Right. Come down from up heaven, come help this, and I can't manage.
This
look here, take them.
I share with you, you how this I go use now.
How this I go use?
Let me explain, when you add up your bully beef, you share out 2 spoons each in a plate.
When me add up the bully beef?
You me fry up with the rice.
When me fry up it?
Right.
What me fi do with it?
You take out 2 spoons each.
Take out 2 spoons each?
Yeah, use ketchup.
Blood of Jesus.
You put up the rest in the fridge another day, so you cook rice again, you do the same thing.
So all on one can. Let me see it. I big.
You can't serve for 2 days, at least 2.5 days.
Daddy, so making by shrimp or something.
Where sir, when me do this?
You know how much is shrimp?
Me can't bother, you know, me cost, you know.
One, they're expensive, you know.
Why expensive?
$700 for one bully beef.
That are $650.
You can't. $700 for this?
Yeah.
So what that mean? If you use it 7 times, the one can beef?
No, we'll use it 2.5 times.
2.5 times?
Yeah.
Take it.
I'll share with
me glad.
Bean can use it for 1.5. 2. Probably we get 2.
So how long the baked beef? What you call it? Baked beef?
Baked bean.
Baked bean. What name?
Baked bean.
Baked bean. How long if you use?
I say probably 1.5 day.
1.5 day?
Depends on what church is.
Jesus Christ. Look on the little sick they fi serve for 1.5 day, Jesus.
The milk, you know.
No more one different man. Me can't take this and no more.
No, baby,
what you mean? No baby, me a backside.
We have to save money. I have to save money.
What kind of save money? A little money where me carry, where you give me the other day, and me go put in an account down there. 2 you know see your name in it, you take out here and drink pure rum with it. I'll be a rum bar, me I come see you, you know. Where they chat about?
The milk. Yeah. Every time you told you.
How long this all serve you now?
Me can't know yet, you know, but me going to try to show you how we are going to save it.
What you say, talk fast?
Every time we are told you, remember when you used to go to Tesco gas station and then you used to put the milk in a little cup holder, them. We are going to weigh in a spoon this time.
So me feel weigh first before me.
Yeah, so you take it in a spoon, 2 spoons.
Me take up one real jackass, one real madman me take up. You're the Lulu.
No, relax no man. Alright.
Watch out. So what make you
cheaper.
Why? Wait. Put them down here so my daughter look here. Why you buy so much? Wait, let me put them down and take them up. 1.
No, it's cheaper, man. It's cheaper.
2, 3, 4, 5 tin mackerel.
It's cheaper.
And 1 canned beef.
One.
So why you never buy more canned beef and 1 tin mackerel?
Me say cheaper. You know, listen. Tell me I just $100 cheaper.
No, can I buy mommy go take up?
But you tell me to buy no bully beef and buy more mackerel.
So
me not eat mackerel.
Me did tell you to buy no canned beef.
Right.
And tell you to buy more mackerel.
More mackerel.
Remember said the day when you meet me before you breed me? The first part you cook is tin mackerel.
Yeah.
Right, do the amount them in them tin mackerel till my lips sore and swell till me a figure doctor.
Good.
You gonna kill me with it?
No, you don't understand. Yeah, right now the work with me the pan and now bring in the money so me try to serve it.
Where you try to serve? Me not understand you. Me can't understand you none at all. Let me ask you one question. Understand the question yeah? Me ask you from the devil was a boy until he get whole and turn great grandfather now. Why you not give me the money like how you used to give me go shopping for myself? You have to go to supermarket to buy everything where you feel so we want.
Alright, back in the days, man could have give woman money if you go to supermarket.
Back in the days, man give woman money.
If you go to supermarket.
So they might nowadays, man, you not give woman money nowadays.
We not give woman nowadays. Then nowadays, woman you not get money. Cause guess why? Right?
I get most your damn head, you damn fool. What you mean?
Because you're not going to take your money and go to the supermarket and push back something in the pocket.
Here you are.
And you're not going to buy everything with the money.
So when you give the woman one money, and the woman buy some grocery and try to save something, little more in case you're sick.
No.
Because sometimes your penis not working in a Popeye. Because a long time they tell us me want one son.
Yeah, where you son?
No, she has 17. Little, remember say she's soon 17, you know, so me can call it say she has 17, no talk to me. She has no 3 and she has no 5 and she has no 6. At 2 months left and some week and days for she be 17. So me can talk anything in front of her. She soon left school. No talk to me. When them are 17 and graduate and he not even for graduate because see there, who me go get money from for buy something for graduation? Eh? A long time they tell us that I want one son. And me notice from how much months now you come in and they jump asleep. And why you tired out the road away you do so?
We cannot get no more picnic because we cannot maintain the one.
No, you switch his story. Don't switch his story. Me serious. Hey, listen to me. Just lie down.
Open back your mouth.
Like, come.
The rest of the day I shut your back.
Lie down, you saw me, baby. Lie down. Listen to me. No, you tap up breast, you know. You're soon 17. No lean down for me titty, no in there. Listen to me, man. Me ask you one question, you know, and say, chip off of that the argument, then go on one next story, you know, like me a idiot, you know. Me say, what wrong with your penis? Me need to care you go doctor, you know. Because me need a son. And me serious. Else me if you go give a bun. Okay, and you know what me fi keep no man with you. Don't me tell you Tory in here. You hear me I tell you? Oh, cause right now me head chip. Me head no good right now, we gone.
I cannot get
when last me and you, hey.
I cannot get no more youth.
Father God, me I beg you figure.
Government pay me 6.
No, me ask you one question. You have woman with me?
No,
weeks.
Me answer me again, cause me I go start sleeping with scissors, you know. Army knife, cause something wrong with down there so then. Me say fella give me bun.
When you stress, you know, get up.
When you stress, you know, get hey! Father God, go help me.
When you are stressed.
When you say when you're stressed, that no get up.
No.
Oh.
Me have to have money for get up. Only when me have money, he will get up.
Hey.
But if I don't got no money, he not go get up. Me and them careless man, they will come in every night, jump on their woman and zaka. No, the woman.
What if, not touch it. Let me see your hand.
Huh? No,
when you just take it. What if your hand smell like a different woman perfume there, Panny?
You mad?
Yes, enough of me perfume that you just touch right here. So
I was spraying some cologne in the supermarket. I was testing the cologne, which one I like.
So
your hand smell like a different woman here they come from, you know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Come from a different woman here?
Yes.
That's why it takes so long.
Me no know how you fit tell me that's why you take so long. Supermarket just right down there so, down in a town and Negril so. And you take so long to go down, like I say, I'm over here you go?
No, man.
Are you going to Kingston?
Relax, man.
Me fi relax, talk fast.
Alright, you want now. You say you want a son, right? You want a son. Wait till that I get 22.
What you just say? Me say me want a son, so you know want one son. Now the two we did that talk about it.
No,
so I lie, you did that tell.
I try to show you an example.
So me alone I kill up myself about son.
No, you
okay, sir. I hear you.
Wait till the daughter reach 22 and give you a grandson.
Then if me a 75 already.
You know, it's so much.
Me don't care. And my daughter is soon 17. And she soon, when few years time you see 22 come. I when me 100 me fi have my son.
And then you go have your she, you go give your grandson. Me retire from having picnic, you know.
I lie they tell. You see, you don't want to do nothing more with me? Eh? And my mind tell me, say they give me bun. You tell me, oh, down they so sick. And oh, you want God doctor, if you don't have money, they so can't tell you think me dumb.
Me
need to care your doctor. Me need to care your doctor. Because when it dead, it cannot go in the protection. Other night, me I force myself to I tell you to use protection. You tell me about, no, me feel sick and me tired, no deal.
I want you know. Get up. I want to talk to your mother. Get up from this.
Go on run your room, my baby. Go on run your room.
I want to talk to your mother.
Only one heap of things. Come take them here. Take them here and put them up in the kitchen in the cupboard. Take them up. Because I don't know what them then can come give me. Be a tin mackerel like me a tin mackerel girl.
Take them up.
And a man chopping the by steaks and ham give woman a road.
But daddy broke and what this door?
What? I come here and come side of me. So come up more.
No, me have to go back for the way. That's something I want to say.
Take this from me.
Yeah, the man go too.
No, you make shopping for yourself. Like I say, to a few money.
So let me ask you a question now. How what their money? Are you hire me? Eh? And you are me work my money. Who work their money?
Such why you work, you think, boy, no me shot your box. Remember say me you can't agree, no? You think I like work me fi bring that the data they come here? You dey work me out over 18 years and they come tell me, boy, you work money. Hey, boy. Don't make me start in here. You're making neighbor them hear me over there, so.
When me used to make money,
you think I like work me a little tired me out?
Where do the weekly money that when me used to carry? But 15 years ago, me used to get. Where did it?
So if you have money from 15 years ago, you're not near me here. Who name like you? So you name your shit like a duck. Look here, don't play with me.
No, but listen, we cannot get no more youth because we don't have no money for finance itself.
And money breed people. Woo! And the money breed me. When I did breed me, I give me she and the money I did use. I don't there so. You can't chat about this sick and it not work. Must see woman you have, you lie.
No, I did that woman, you alone.
And me alone you have?
Yeah, one and only.
Pinky swear, say me alone you have.
Pinky
swear. That ain't no pinky finger, pinky swear. Tell me, pinky swear. Swear. You don't have no woman with me.
I swear upon your life.
How for life? No swear upon my life, but swear upon your poop and your mama life. Who for life
so
you
why should I swear upon my life?
So why you want to swear upon for my life? Me can prove it say you not give me bun?
Exactly. But yeah, me go away. But
where they go?
Before no,
you just come.
No, me have a meeting with the boss to deal. But you know what me I say no.
You lie.
Just listen to me now. Oh, you gonna learn. Listen to me.
I want to learn from you, because you want a little liar.
When we come back, I'll bring chocolate. Right? I buy chocolate though, but me have to pop them off piece. Cause me not give you like one night.
Cause I don't know you're pointing at my face to find them. I don't know.
I buy honey and a nice roses. I'm gonna buy your favorite panty you like.
Which panty me like?
Victoria's Secret.
Victoria's Secret, me tired of them one day.
Where you
want Dolce and Gabbana style now.
Dolce
and Gabbana. Me say Dolce. Me say Dolce and Gabbana.
Dolce and Governor.
Which governor? If me thumping you up Delhi.
Where is it?
Dolce and Gabbana.
Dolce, Gabbana.
Gabbana. That me want.
What name so?
Me want the panty and the brassiere feet. And match me and match out.
No, then that's it for young girl, man.
But so what kind of dress you want me to wear bingo bap? And then they go look young girl and tell me some old woman?
And the best panty that.
What best panty? The curtain one them?
Yeah, the big one them. Cause guess what?
What
they have more space.
No, you want to go buy the dress then when him turn off. Nobody with you. Nobody want nothing from you.
You know what G-string mean? You see how them girls
wear it? Not clean out nothing for me. Cause me not go wear the one them. Okay, good. But you have a nice one them.
What, French cut?
No, yes, you can buy French cut, but buy the brand there.
Pan the river top where? How much often? Top sleep in a jazz. You know say no.
No, top tell lie for me. You ramp with me not sleep in a clothes. You too lie. Are you a turn your back? You're wicked.
Oh, hush, my top turn your back. But jazz not for sleep in a car. When you sleep in a panty, it's secure.
That's true. The other night when 2 nights straight you not come in, where did they?
Oh, that. You know I say. A bar me just asleep from man on the counter. Find myself like they lock the bar with me in there.
You just asleep in a bar?
Yeah, man, me drink and junk and just asleep in the bar.
So you walk this, you don't have no yard?
And then I open the bar, you know, the next day, you know, me have to sleep in there till the next day. That's how I come home after 2 days. But anyway, I will a shower now and go back on the road.
What about your business?
Yeah, man, I like you, yeah?
That's when excuse me. Where you come from? From my boy, you know, see, I want a little looks of my sister. You move feel like father. Who your father? I don't know that. Hello, I have not asked who your father. You know, I have to know that. Once if you're related to somebody who we know. So I'm going to say that somebody is related to somebody, that makes sense? Maybe, listen, ask you one simple question, you did give me one bag of talking. This is a 5-word good. What should we say? Yeah, you're there for me say, oh, are your papa? And you me a chat to concubine. I could never me cross man. I could never me yata. Don't about who girl. Who is your papa? Titanic. Who is your papa? What God ever see this? Dinosaur balls. Oh, are your papa?
Me donkey balls, me a call.
Are you me to who is your father?
Look, they answer me. Stand up, say no more.
So look at thinking what girl and I'm mad at you pick. Like what bitch? I got to girl to put a shot answer.
Why? Me long to see your father, you know. You better come check me soon, you know. Sure.
Oh, your bush not out yet.
No, baby
that's
girl. The burning bush a burn. Me tell you, say, if your father not come out the fire, me I go take up your suggestion and go fireman, you know.
I'll hold you for jump the outer door. Just go sit down in a one.
And I will jump me mean. Me need something for out the fire. But anyway, you're good.
Yeah.
You need nothing. Come can phone him and tell him to come and bring more shopping.
We don't want no.
You sure you don't need no food? You need no money. You don't need no. You sure, man?
Mommy, yesterday we see money and give me money.
What happened, baby? What happened?
Alright, mommy.
Alright, where you come from anyway? Me come over, me never see you. Where did they?
Me have a good man. Can't flip it to the mom. But on the road, me up on the money. Hello, darling. Money.
Me have money back to you.
Oh, you just offer our money.
Me not offer her money. Me and she talk cause they said Papa I better come soon come and miss him. I miss him like madman. So me just talk to her and see if she want nothing. So me can phone him and get him for come. Me want him for come, man.
About
Sure.
that. I meant to talk to you about something.
Yeah, man.
Somebody walk on the road today and I see one girl.
You
said the skin. I mean, I never played it, no.
Now I'm off your head for what? Me hungry?
Listen, the girl. She look similar to my sister. So, make me that ask her. Her father name and son. She has shared me too much attitude and she never answer me. She just walk up. So, me I say, maybe Popeye. Breed somebody else out here.
That's all foolishness.
And you have to think about it too. The thing about this age and then look. She have one look at sister and one look at Popeye. You think you need to call it?
Yeah, no, sir. Popeye coming from a big family. You will see plenty people around the area who look like your sister, you know. Popeye must have about 12 brother and sister. You see Popeye father? Hey, a rolling stone them call him, you know. Wherever Popeye father lay him hat at the same home. A plenty brothers and sisters, so a plenty cousins she have. I must see one of her cousins you see.
I never yet see one of them the cousin there.
That's
So,
right.
me never meet the cousin there.
No, he just tell me about him family. He not take me to him family. He not take me a country meet him family. He just tell me and show me picture.
So how you never meet him family? You sure no hide him or hide you?
No hide me, man. How you can't hide me?
Which man you can do it for so long you never meet family?
I saw the world, man, you know, because look how Jamaica big. Not all in family they right here, you know. Remember
so you want them with the right here in the
say father leave country come down here, you know. So I'm really down here, so most same family live. But you know how especially black man turn.
Oh.
And then spread. In fact,
I was going to say you're a man and you not get born, right?
Oh, me forget, bun. Look how me sweet. Look how your mommy sexy and sweet. Who figured this, bun?
Popeye.
Hey, I joke, yeah. Nick. You see when me lock him in? Come on, girl. You don't tell me say a big woman.
Mommy,
you see when me lock that in? That can't leave me.
Mommy, and I like that a cripple. You look like then somebody lick you with some cross your back and you wheel you up on the bed.
Yeah, man, but true. Me tell you, don't tell you, say my burning bush a burn long time. We need the fire for out, man.
Sister, he say he burning bush a burn, right? So me tell him say,
me need
the fan on.
I hit me say, bush still a burn.
Girl, you're a big girl now. Me need Popeye to come water the garden and out the fire.
Mommy, we got water in the jar. You got sit down in it.
Only Popeye can quench this thirst. You don't understand.
Oh, but Popeye,
only
Popeye. That's
in their work. In their work.
I 2 nights alone he spend here. And he gone. When they know?
They were 2. He just reached here yesterday.
Let me tell you something. You see the next time that man ya come here, me I go lock that door, you know. So me I go one and from now. You see the next time your father and Popeye come here?
No, me always have a headphone.
As soon as him come here, As soon as him come, I say, hello, daddy, hello, papa, and I'll chat on the phone and give me my time with him, here. Cause you see when you hear that, the door shut and lock. And me hide the key. Hey, you must go work hard on this. For loosen himself and get out of this clause. When me clamp down on him, no man. Time gone too hard, man. Me head that chip.
Mama, you say I rock out your bed. Remember say bed foot them now.
Me want to make sure the bed's strong, see.
You feel like you're 13?
No, not this room here.
13. You think so me dead? After me not dead yet. Me not dead yet.
Mommy,
Hey.
it's like you're not see the facts and me I tell you say, Papa, I have others. Woman, you're not the only one. He don't even live with you. He come and go. And you're a man.
And in barely there, say, he only come here every 9 months or 1 year. I only
That
come
is
for 2
the
weeks.
contract your daddy depend.
You sure your contract?
Which contract? How can I work you do? You like
You see if him
No, which place takes so long for bill? That the place they built from 2007, 2008.
The contract him depend is not one site, you know. And like how he's charging him go from site to site and site and site.
Oh, a woman them
And
jump from the woman side.
Stop our foolishness,
I
man.
realize. I'm the younger, I'm the kind of fool. No, I'm realize me get the foolishness from.
Hey, girl, know yourself. Let me tell you something about your good as mother.
Man.
You hear? Let me tell you something about your good as mother. No follow the gray here and the buckle back here. You see when me clamp down pan man and like say me a lock down all your father. I mean make your father go in. Your father have weak back and couldn't manage me, cause me brought man back in a girl. Your father a little more strength. And as warriors, you see your father you have more strength.
With you,
Cause you're too young and you're too innocent.
Me not innocent.
Girl,
Too stupid for me.
hey, no, remember who you talk to. Remember who you talk to. About stupid. How me no say, Papa, better come and make me walk the bed. Oh.
Even mommy.
Evelyn. Oh, come up here, so where they come from?
I'm going to go walk and buy.
So where you go by? Let me see it.
Me drink coffee, mommy. Look up and see juice. Or red one.
Okay.
Mommy, me see one time black man girl up the road a question me. I ask me if a papa I am daddy. I be attitude me na gear still.
What you mean you see one girl up the road and she a question and ask her if her papa is
and
daddy?
he is them big.
Here we are. One big ears girl.
Yeah, she asked me if my daddy a papa.
So that concerns she, what she want
to
know?
me look like her sister.
I don't understand. Where she know you from? I first see her?
I first me I see her.
Look here. There's someone 17-year-old. Don't make no dirty foot, butterfoot, rubber tail girl question your road. You understand me? And that's how me grow you. Nobody not supposed to ask you no question. Where you don't know? From nowhere. Who to tell if I don't want to rob or your phone? She must want to take away rob you, they don't want to take away your money. You never see her before?
No.
My first time in your whole life?
Of course.
You should have taken one big stone and bust her
The first
head.
time I see her, I nearly faint.
She ugly?
Bad.
Hey. God. Come on, help me.
You look like they hobby a woman there.
I lie. Some of you turn up and talk to them, they kind of crisis generation.
No. I need to turn up and talk to her.
So, your whole conversation with people where you say you're not
She
talk
just
to?
see me and say, you girl, a papa your father, and me favor your sister.
So what if papa your papa, yes, him your
I don't know
power?
that concern her, but me walk away.
I wonder what she try to figure out. I wonder what happened.
Mommy,
She just see you
I
so...
not trust daddy neither, you know.
Eh?
I not trust daddy neither, cause one girl can't just stand up and ask me one question, so.
You not trust your father?
No, mommy.
Why?
Feel like him give a bun. The girl say me favor
You feel like your father give me bun?
Mm-hmm.
You know, say you don't like your father, I must damage you, want me damage him. You feel like your father give me bun. If me find out say papa they give me bun. Hey, me turn Delilah upon him. And Samson.
What me ask me is either I'm human, or I'm pitney, or I'm related to him, make him a question me.
You sure say you're not judge wrongfully, assume.
Mommy, you should have known me better.
Wait there. You can put 2 and 2 together and me I go look into it. Cause I don't know why somebody just see a road that can tell about your favor. Then sister. Or you, if your papa
God mercy.
Come here.
Huh?
Come here, baby. You know I love you. Come over
Yes,
here.
I love you too. Yeah, go over there, son.
We are slap her fag over there,
Come
my
here,
baby.
son.
Come here, darling. You know I love you, honey.
Yeah, man.
You know me love you too. No.
What? What do you?
Wait. Abonia give me. Abonia give me. What are we? Look here. What are we glad about, you know I love you, baby. And then they sitting there, me broke in at you. Yes, so yeah, come out. I love you. Love your backside. Abonia they give me.
Bun? What kind of bun?
No,
National
cheese.
bun? National bun?
Look at, no, play with me.
Why would I?
How comes people are see me pick me a road and I can't chat about how she favor their sister and one if I sitting?
Yeah, I know what people are favor people. Eh? When we just met you, when we tell you, oh, you favor the roses.
Me ball, you know. Me ball.
No, relax, man. People
Me
favor
ball. Oh.
Look at Susie. Susie favor the dog, right? Every time you see look, she, what you always say, she favor the dog. So relax, man. Your daughter losing it. You tell her she
You're not even can call word. What kind of losing it or losing it? You're not even can. You don't know if you make proper pronunciation. Listen to me. Me know why you told me.
So well on you know.
Not told me no idiot. Don't turn me no idiot and don't switch his story. Me say why people see your own a child on the road answer the question, no man.
Sure.
And they say, oh, she look like her their sister and oh, the pitney look like her you. Something and something. Me want know where they go down there so you know because a long time me there, you know.
One time black mama girl tap me and he is them big and he a flat up.
Here you are.
Oh, me not win my talk now. Me not win my talk now.
You see me tell her say you want
No,
mommy?
and that, I want beggy girl. She beg.
No, she never begged me. She
She
passed,
beg her?
one man did that, two man did that pass, white man and she never begged them. I lie here tell daddy.
I feel like your daughter tell lies so much.
Me not just sit up and tell lies.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Turn around, come here, so. Let me tell you something. You see, any day, me find out, say, yeah, give me bun. You know what, say, me go put on one pot of water and deal with your case.
The only bun me get national bun, and sometimes you carry
Because,
well, me not want your bun, your man stop telling her something, you know.
I don't like daddy.
Because she's a mad man. Stop telling her.
You should have known she a man.
Look how long me you're the drunk, bro. Are you really a bun you give me?
Why would I bun you? That me want to know. Why would I want bun? Me tell her it's a one burner man.
Papa, I talk it truth, me front not good again.
Me never say that.
So when me can't give me bun out the road, make people see me that and I go question me that.
Listen, talking ball, they don't look good on the ball.
Me want to stay so.
Don't do
At least one next man will find me because you don't know you use that me. When you say me front not good again.
No.
And that you say. And that you say, that's why you give me bun, you don't want to sleep with me at night time.
No, listen. Me I work at daytime, so the double up work. When me come in, I have to turn me back, and you have to hug me up. No. When me turn me back, and you have to hug me up. At night time, because I'm tired. If you want it, you take you in there sleep. As simple as that.
So when you asleep, me if you take it.
You take it, I'm tired. If you
So
want
when you asleep, don't miss and I sleep too.
No, you will wake. Once you touch it, you get up. But listen what me I say now.
So while you asleep, me feel work like an idiot.
You want it.
You don't want nothing because you don't get sitting out the road yet.
Me never say that. Stop put word in my mouth. Me never say that. I never say get you out the road. You know, listen good. I say to you, say, if you know say you want that in the night, you take it. Me don't want it, so me go sleep. Me buy your ties when you did it. I buy it.
Me burn them up. Come in and I fake thing with you. Why you go buy ties, come give me?
For help for me now do a night time.
So why you not have no use in me again? You have use in next woman.
You believe that?
Me I believe. So that you put in my brain, me I believe.
How many times I tell you, say, sex no give money.
And you tell me, sir, and me tell you so.
You have to balance the equation. If me not have money, me can't earn it. That is the thing. I have to have a good amount of money if you say, yeah, I'm ready for something. You don't like let me spend tonight with you and tomorrow morning you
How much time me if you ask? You say like, oh, you don't have no time for me. In whether night or day, if me can keep one man with you.
Keep what? Where? When? Me not want to ask you which holiday, you know. Because there's no day you can't do it. Because I'm going to ask which holiday, because holiday come once a month. I'm talking when, where, how. In our house. Not even the man here can go. And me alone fi go there so. No other man no fi go there so. Me fi go there until the day me can't manage no more. Me start swim. And me alone fi go there. Oh. No, bother with that. No bother put that in the head right now. You're not ready for no other man.
You're unfair, you know? You're unfair.
Oh.
You're unfair.
You cannot do what a man do and still be a lady. I'm tired to tell you that.
So me you talk in a reasonable way, no.
Alright, I can reason things.
So you're not no reasoning ability. No, me listen to me. You have to learn to hold on proper conversation. Listen to me, because you're not talking non-constructive, you know?
No,
Let me tell you something positive. You need to listen.
Alright.
So me you can have one open relationship where you have woman and me have man.
Repeat what you just said, I love it.
Me say, if we can't have an open relationship where you have your woman them already, so me can start have man.
You see, any day you're willing and want to open up relationship, that's the day you go and pack and go and build a business with open relationship. You see, open relationship.
And me by the nail them we go in I wood them in ya. And if me get one carpenter come pull out the nail them out of the wood, the house I go drop down. How it a go?
Me will buy back nail up here. But anyway, I'm not.
And me burn it down. Cause if me can't sleep in this, no dirty foot girl now come in and come sleep. You brighty?
Open up relationship is not good. You know, good.
So I close when you want. And you're unfair. Yo!
No, it's not. Alright, between me and you. 7 days a day. I understand say you're human, you always want to look comfort.
No affection. No attention. No little nothing. No little TLC nothing. Every minute you take up yourself, you're gone. Who to telephone on one bag of girl at the bridge at night time and up the beach?
Tell the truth. Every day me on the come up with this TCL, but tender whatever attention I want talk like this. When me get all of that during the week, who pay the bills? Who buy food?
You're going like me no work to me sell up at school.
Who send
look how much
long belly when we have just to go to school?
Look how much time me take up my money give you go pay for light bill and water and sink.
What? You him bright?
What she say?
Him belly no longer just to me broke.
I tell you broke for you, you don't have no money, you buy tin mackerel you buy come here. One can beef. Pay tin mackerel every day, every time.
Right now, me sure say. Half of Jamaica right now can buy tin mackerel tomorrow.
No call Jamaica name in your dirty mouth.
No,
you not see what you do. You the way you love your belly, you not even love your teeth. Them you not buy no toothpaste. One bag of tin mackerel and one can beef with pure flour. And not even one ton you know buy for we Mexico drinks or one quench the con chat about Jamaica. Don't chat about Jamaica in your dirty mouth.
You
Because you not even buy toothpaste. Why toothpaste how we use there? So we not fi brush your teeth, we must fi think.
Me go show you, so look. I buy the toothpaste long time. I don't know this. See that?
So we make you buy this stuff for two and then hide it from we.
No, me have to hide it because the last one.
I know you no pull seat there. It don't see the top and bottom. It don't pull. And you really buy toothpaste and hide it from we?
Yeah, because no, they want to serve.
So when you hide it, we serve. So your brother, we must stink.
No, when the extra stink,
so remember, say we teeth no brush for 1 week and 3 days, and you have toothpaste in here, a wicked dirty drunk man.
You can't pull now. Yeah, man, you can't pull it now.
But I make sure I say me pull it.
Right.
And you now get it back for go hide in and nothing. You're too wicked.
Daddy, me hungry.
You know hear your pitney say she hungry, or what?
No, me not hear.
So how me the far than you and me here and the son of the pass if you come to me.
Sure somebody pass say hungry?
She say she hungry, alright, you not hear me tell you.
Mommy asked me to say daddy broke.
And in the work, and every week he get paid. Most women have a road. So they get serious now, you know.
Me want to clap off him out, you know, because guess why? Me hear news about she, you know.
And me cannot talk about yourself and where they do a road.
Me hear say she have a little bike man, you know.
Don't put your mouth on her. Leave her alone.
Don't
put your mouth on her. Some of uno parents are put uno own a mouth on uno own a picnic. And when things happen for you in a real life, I uno dirty goat mouth uno take hold on uno picnic make they sick they am to uno picnic.
So I lie, people I tell her.
I lie.
Where they come from today?
A shop she go and go buy juice.
Where juice?
Juice she buy, she drink it off. She did it on her mouth when she come and see it.
You know, me notice no mother, no pick up phone or data.
Yeah.
No pick up phone or data. Every mother pick up for them people when they do the wrong. Why not do that?
We not pick up for them. When they wrong, they wrong. When they right, they right. I know every mother the same thing.
You know how alright. And that's why they come in with belly. Yes, when they pick up for them.
Hey, the blood of Jesus. Back to the sender. You see, if you know say, you are gonna breed, no put your mouth on her. She not breed before time, nobody with it.
No, me doesn't show you example.
I look like you can breed. That's why you don't want to breed me and give me my son.
When you pick up for them, a girl picking nowadays. They say, yes, I pick up for me, and we can do what we want to do, you know, daddy lucky. They go behind my back. I'm going to do what they know to do. I'm coming back with belly. And who you think I go mind the picnic? Who you think I go mind our belly? Wait, because you don't know.
I like you, no tap touch me, man. Me not like you. Me not want you touch me.
When the man look, man, they don't look on the man them foot and the man them fingernail. And the man them hand middle.
You know, some me have a dream?
When the man look,
man. I have one dream. You talk about your daughter and when they are man and sitting and go this and that. Me get one dream about you and
some of them young gal, yeah. When the man take up man, then take up man with them pants under them body. Red flag that. Right? When the man take up man again, then take up man with the supers look like that on their foot. And the rest of the foot back there down in the dirt. Dirty as a church.
When me did take up your pants body did tear out.
Yeah,
1.5 foot of slippers you have on. Which is different?
That different.
Number one, the underpant. You know what? Me no want to when me sip on it, because me have to wash your river. You forgot?
That's how when they did.
When me did what?
Yeah, when we did it.
When we did that one. When we did that one, let's say they are working at KNP. When me did meet you, alright, you must did meet me, alright, we meet one another, but some meeting go on right there, so. At KNP, you used to work in.
Yes!
And me never give you nothing. And you hold me down and take in a KNP. When me done the whole of the backside of crutch me.
You know, wicked on the woman chidalena.
It can't sit in crutch.
You never.
And me have to be that in a river. You're too wicked.
You're right. You never give me, but you know what you do? You spite me with it. You're coming at the KNP, you don't know panty. In the skirt.
So you say, woman, I got KNP and I wear drawers. How with this man?
Every minute, yeah. You know, Papa. That can't fit. When I see me, I look your bend over. We know what you say, no?
Then, let me ask you one question.
I want it, but you know, over time if you take it. So
woman did make fit bend down and do all kind of things. Bend down and take up that. Bend down and clean this. Bend down and pull up your clothes them. If your clothes pin drop or soap drop, your bend down and take it. Man did make fit turn up right behind the woman.
Why do you think most of the young girls, when they go to church, they wear this shut up dress?
I told you too fast and love look up on the people.
A pastor, they want 50 under them, you know. Because they want position in that church. So then go there and open up their legs. So
as you go talk about that, the wedding we did a chat about the other day, how for wedding, and me and you go married?
No, man, I'm my cousin I'm married, but you know that.
So you're not make me a 18-year-old, Jesus Christ, which woman so fool like me, and me I only foolish woman they pan hurt. Cause no, 18 years me you're not even propose, you're not even in, not at all we not engage.
You're the only good woman, cause guess why? We live 18 years, no fight, no fuss.
I lie. Every day me and you have to fight. You're wicked.
All right. If we go married, you know, curse catch we.
Yeah.
Yes, you never know.
Mm-hmm.
When you're in a one relationship and you pass 5 years, you don't need to be married again. A fool people don't go married, you know. Because you think the moment you're married, problems start. It's either the wife start pop attitude or the husband have problem with the wife, he start find fault.
I tell you, I try to tell me that wrong.
No, me I show you something.
So you want to say the single relationship, them, nobody no cause not fight tonight?
No, the single relationship, them better. You want to live with your partner.
No relationship, no perfect. I tell me
no relation. No, you don't listen to me. You have relationship perfect. You only have some woman licky and you only have some man with two honey. You not understand the meaning?
No, me not understand.
Let me give you the straight facts. You have some of them money. Two they have the money, they feel like say every girl they see. They run them down. You have some of them woman here. Two they feel like say the man they will have money, they run them down because the man yard can't do nothing. You notice why Bungie? You ever know why Bungie?
No, why then give on?
Only woman.
Who you want say make no give on? Woman? Our car see what we do. How comes?
If we go to work, I will start coming late. We don't have problem.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. A girl yard you come from. You go, you this, you that. So, in our mind, we say, I wonder if a man she have, but she a try pin something for we. We have a cheat. That's a cheating start.
A style, woman.
Lord of God. Talk it true.
If you have one woman, just like my baby mother, and you will see me come in certain time at night, then the late extra time there, what you are think? You not think if what? If a man we have?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Never ask you, say, how you out with them the time?
Okay. So when you go about your business and come in late at night time, we know if you think that woman don't have.
We are man.
Yeah.
We can be trusted.
What is not this?
We can be trusted.
Uno can be trusted.
You know what I'm
saying? Say uno man can be trusted.
Right, because man hard to get woman, but woman easy to get man. So woman cannot be trusted.
And you try to say woman cannot be trusted. That you say?
Yeah, I'm wrong.
Move your dirty self and move from your soul. I should have slapped you in your face.
Look
at right, you're an idiot to take with her. So uno figure out and coming back 111 o'clock. And we must just go out and broke in the come back. Uno, no God?
Alright, baby.
Yeah, God.
Baby, let me share something. Or life better now.
Right, and feisty.
Out of it, take up a man and then give a bun and help you. Then take up a man where I give a bun and help you. Which one is better? Let's see you.
Where you say, out of it, take up a man where they give me bun?
And they help you.
And they help me.
And take up a man where I give a bun and help you. Which one is better?
I want the two of them.
Say what?
I want the two of them.
I wonder if you understand me.
Me understand. The one they give me bun and they help me. And one they give me bun and help me. Which one me want? Me want the two of them because maybe one can do the work and one give me money. So one of them will pay me light bill and one pay me water rate. I two of them me want.
No,
what you mean?
What you talk about?
Me want the two of them.
So me not enough.
You're impotent. That's why you can't breathe me again, drunk. You think me not say to your dirty stinking dog? Drunk. A long time me want lash out upon your dirty clot. Let me tell you something. Me tell you say me want one son. At 18 years now me and you there. You give me one pitney. We're almost 17 and you can't breathe me again unless you have another woman out the road. You is a sperm donor. So you're a sperm donor. So when you don't know your sperms out the road, you come in, you're tired and you have no use to me. Okay. So this a big fat buff here. Must lay down and take cool breeze under AC. In a bed. And just look on you and clean your teeth. When time you come, me laugh with you. And who the hell you think you be?
No, you
so me a souvenir. Watch, man.
No,
I go and give you a surprise, you see, Papa. No. If you not come catch me in your house and sleep with a man, you go catch me in a man house and sleep with him. You feel me around with you? Okay. You still laugh on my face. This is my real face.
A prank,
I'm serious. Bun for bun. You think you can check me? Me know a long time say they give me bun. Me a dream see up on top of a woman. How you feel like? And how me give it to you, she no give you it so. So me want to know what hole you there so. Cause her front no fatter than mine.
Yeah.
Oh, that me I tell you.
Never will I show.
Daddy, me hungry now.
Right.
Yeah, nothing when you have stove, lighter, pot, water, raw food.
Here,
go cook your food yourself.
You no buy shrimp or something.
And that me I say. Could I buy one bag of shrimp, you buy me a tin mackerel like a idiot you take with her. Go on about your business.
So there. Then you what you want? Shrimp.
So what?
Shrimp.
If you can go in a rum bar, go sit down and drink and junk and jump asleep for 2 nights and 2 days in there. Like a year business place.
Shrimp.
Them there for money the way you spend till you drink and junk. You must can buy one bag of shrimp for $6,000.
You know how much
rainforest we want.
A little bit of shrimp coming
in the bag.
No, enough shrimp coming.
Gas done.
Where you say come up here for content when me can't hear? Where you say gas done?
Mommy, gas
Papa, nobody move one money to buy the gas. Where you say?
Gas done and the match is done. Lighter
the gas done, lighter now work, match is done.
Yes, ma'am.
What again done?
No salt, no.
No salt, no in there.
And brushing teeth.
You use the salt brush your teeth. Oh man, wicked in buy toothpaste and hide and you use salt brushing teeth. You say you're wicked?
Alright, you want me to tell us now. Gas done. Lighter now work.
And you done too. So you don't too. You don't too, cause I know me you can't do not know what you want now. You don't too, one. Me no business if she want to knock the she are soon 17, you lucky. Then we they do things that we don't know. They know already. And she are not 5 and 6 and 7. She are almost 17, 2 months and so 1 week left. She are 17. Get on about your business.
Your mother will buy. Me buy food stuff already.
Boy, your mother will buy. You favor drunk or dry scratches. You damn bright and feisty.
No, sir.
I call about what? You know what is workless? You is workless.
When me start work,
where you call that a workless for?
Because every holiday, in could have gone to Mr. Chin go get a work. She workless.
You want she go look work before time. You is the workless papa. You is a sperm donor.
Right.
You is not a daddy.
So every time you walk up and down by road with the dirty foot girl limp on the road.
They put no dirty in the daddy car then fall.
I'm gonna tell you something. You see you all when she a 100-year-old me a care a family court Jankro. You feel some ramp with you? Can you imagine? All the toothpaste me a go show the judge. You know how long me take in a brush? And you have toothpaste hiding here. And take the salt when we have to cook and go brush your thinking mouth. And then you want to come kiss me Jankro?
You see you?
No worry yourself. No worry yourself.
You see back to school when back to school start September morning. Make sure you know Make sure you know say you cook food before you go to school and carry for your lunch.
They can buy burger.
I tell.
A party in the
Them a big girl we go high school now carry no lunch go to school and money have to give them and then buy them lunch. But cook on you go have to go cook tin mackerel and sit carry go to school. Me nah broke a road. Why you want you want high school picnic cook food for carry go to school? You think she go kindergarten and primary?
Cannot mind pick them to tell you think $16,000 a week.
So how comes you broke and you work every day and a weekly you get paid?
Me not understand how you love breed woman and can't mind.
No, you must see her by front of road then, cause you come in broke every time. Who a smell himself?
She a smell herself.
You smell her?
Me go put her out, you know. If I don't see the go.
If you put her out, me a go too. Me I no want to kick no man, and you put out me daughter, me they go out with her, cause me nah make me daughter go walk up and down for her.
She a rank herself with me, and I'm me.
And you no have no respect for her, you they tell her anything, and she reach the age now where she can't tell you anything. Go on where you go.
I can't peace get you. Oh, and then if you go back go work.
Mom, if you go find one white man.
You hear him use it for you to me get pregnant in a cane piece with you?
I can't
I should do well want it too.
I hold me down, me never give him for free.
Me believe so too, man.
Me never give for free, you hold me down, me name say Kentucky, you hold me down and she'll carry your coat, your damn saliva. Drunk or girl and go bed. And left me feel left your dirty, stinking, nasty, worthless clot hole. Dog. No, no, me can't.
I hope to see your father soon and very soon.
Oh, mommy.
I really you, Candy.
Mommy, come here.
Candy, you don't recognize me. Me and you graduate high school together. How you do, girl?
What's your name again?
Charmaine.
Your face look familiar. Wait.
Yeah, man.
Ashan?
Yes, me used to hang with Natalie.
Charmaine! Girl, I'm
good. Wow, you look good. Look how you fat and roll like England pound.
I lie.
Good.
I lie.
You look good. So what are you doing with yourself? Long time.
Girl.
Mommy.
Me still at school. Yeah.
Excuse me.
Come up here. Come say hi.
Hi.
Are you daughter?
Yes, I'm a daughter.
Oh, pleased to meet you. You're my daughter, them.
She, me, I
You're
tell
my
about mommy.
daughter, them.
Yes, me my daughter them. Remember we?
Yes, me just introduce. Candy, this is my schoolmate. This
mommy.
is my daughter, Candy.
Mommy.
And she, me did I tell you about?
She me a talk about. Look
The
how
tall
she
black girl. She, me a talk.
What am I talking about?
I'm gonna
Me tell us. I'm gonna
You're probably your cousin. Me don't tell you, say your father have plenty big
Tell me
family.
a she said me feel look for she and look for me. Talk it through, mommy. Talk it through.
You're speaking so eloquently when you're acting like a condescending.
My father never said me go to school, can you then big with it?
Oh, good girl. Yes,
Hold
mommy,
on,
you shut them
ease
up.
off,
No, mommy, you
ease
shut them
off.
up
Hold on.
intelligently. You way you gonna do? You gonna sit this in the road?
Me tell you, say your father have a big family. So
Me
you
tell
can be
you, say,
cousin
man,
off
like
your
a Popeye
cousin.
dog, like a Popeye
Popeye
dog.
family
you're
big, we don't tell you that
about
already.
condescending
Stop
jerk.
shedding
You know
out
what
a
she say?
street
Me
man.
know you're good, mommy.
Me apologize for my picnic.
You know how
Them
understand
let me
you
get
know,
the next
she
one.
style.
I don't mean she attack. She
Excuse
attack.
me.
I do shut up.
Are you she
Hold
attack?
on, well not deal with it. Just
Hold on there.
Right, she love good quality.
Who them here? Who them here to you?
They're my daughters.
Yeah.
So you grow them?
What's your go for you?
You know, you
Me wonder if them Kiba.
Okay, like.
The other day, Kayla come tell me say she buck up with a young girl and how she look like Kayla, my other daughter. And this one, boy, meet a nice man named Popeye. So they my her sister. And my daughter come tell me, say, how she meet a young girl that kind of look like my daughter. So me explain to her, say, people look alike, you know, because Popeye, my plenty family.
Whoa!
You don't know him family like that.
Where
Which Popeye? Miss Charmaine.
Hold on. Shh. Oh, shush. Hold on, Charmaine.
Can't me know you love laugh for a long time.
No, listen to me. What you just say? What your baby father name?
Kayla father is Popeye. You know Popeye. Him love drink rum.
So, hold on there.
Say proud of your man.
So,
Push up your back.
your baby father name Popeye?
Yes, my last baby father. Him a not.
So, you understand. You have Popeye News. And then you have one heap of different man named Popeye because my baby father named Popeye too.
And in tall and brown.
My baby father named Popeye. No, this is
always was a joke.
We're not Charmaine.
You run joke, Candy, a joke you run. It could never be my Popeye that me locked down.
No, listen, you know. This must be a coincidence because me and you go to the same school. We go the same school. We graduate the same time. And me and you go get one baby father named Popeye.
A street name, man. A street name. It could never be my Popeye. Can we tell you something, Candy? You see, my Popeye, my daughter father. You see when me lock him down? I'm not going nowhere. So I know my Popeye. We just know the same.
Mommy. Popeye, I give you a bone. You don't.
Mommy, me tell you Popeye, they give you a bone. Me tell you.
So wait.
No, make me laugh this off. I'm going.
Where you laugh off? Little girl, this not funny.
Shiver your mouth.
Hello. No contact about no coincidence, so. This not funny. Wait, hold on there.
Describe your Popeye to me. Hold on.
My Popeye?
I couldn't.
Him tall and brown. Yeah. Him drink rum. Ever they drop asleep in a bar. Have problem when he come home. Now have no time. If you do, you know me talking. Yeah. Play drop asleep, Hungry come home. When him go to supermarket, when me fi go to supermarket, he go himself. Him buy the things them. Pay tin mackerel and most of them sick them buy and sitting.
Hold on. Let me ask you a question. The picnic them there. For your Popeye.
Yes. You're not even have to say the end part. Yes. Let me show you him.
Missa.
Wait. I know him. That a Popeye brother. Wait, see me.
Me did tell your mommy you get bone. You never listen to me.
How him?
What them not the concubine this man?
Mommy, watch out! Who is that?
Hey! You call the devil.
I'm
up here.
See we are.
Hey, come now, daddy. Come here, go say go like you don't know me.
Where your father?
No, you.
Back up.
Come here, daddy. Daddy, come, daddy.
This one me pick me again. Let me see. This one me pick me again. Let me see. Hug up your poopa.
Hug up your daughter.
Now hug her. Let me see. Now hug me pick me. Let me see. This one me pick me in front of me, man. Where the other one there? Come hug your poopa. Now him and your poopa. Now hug your poopa. Let me see. Huh?
And I start picnic to this, so.
Wow. Are you one?
Gallus, you couldn't tell me some of her sister.
So daddy, what make you do that?
You won. Now one day when me one lock you down, you never know you to me.
Daddy, you sound bad. You lie too.
Hand down, and hug up your picnic then make me see. This one for me picnic make me see.
You get a call?
This one me picnic again make me see.
And believe more did that to mommy. Me never tell a lie.
Deny her. Deny her in front of me, let me see. I dare you.
Daddy,
I double dare you.
Daddy, you know she?
Yes, you know me. When you say daddy, you know me and who? You know who she is and you know who me be?
It was my friend Daddy.
Tell the girl, tell the children them who me and Candy be to you.
When
I name
Let me explain myself properly, right? Let me explain myself properly.
Somebody dead?
Huh?
Alright, somebody are gonna dead for true.
Candy and Charmaine, right? I never know some our friend. I never know that. But anyway, may I explain something properly to you? I try to be a better man, right?
You experience that? You experience the better man side?
I try to serve the whole honor properly. Right?
You can't make terror.
But
I thank you.
in the
Go on.
I'm sure talk you
No, look, look at the behind my back. It's the behind my back. Talk.
I mind the whole
Oh my.
hound, right?
Hey! And when me about for soldering, you can't solder nothing. Me want me welding done, you can't even light the fire, much less well. Now me know. Yes! I bet you if you do me pick up the foot. And this you pick up the foot. And you hold him, feel your candy. Leave your candy. Feel your candy. Lick your candy. Come in now, fight me long time friend feel.
Let me explain myself to you.
Go on now.
Listen.
You know what? Me no want police lock me up. So you know what me go do? Me can put it down back.
Go on now.
Let me tell you something. It done right as a pie. No, listen to me. You're my baby father and you're my best friend baby father.
Short business.
You is, let me repeat back myself, because I look like you're not here.
Hey.
You is my baby father and you're my best friend baby father. You is my best friend baby father. And me now go make fake of you and my friend with me and my friend turn enemy.
No, we are sistering. We know each
So
other.
listen, me now go make fake of you.
Yes,
me
sir.
and my friend turn enemy fake of you.
Yes, sir.
So guess what? You see the breed where you breed her? Plan for mind the pitney.
Yes.
You see the breed where you breed me?
Nine.
Plan for mind the pitney. Else family court nah miss you. And if Shami no want go a family court, me they go. And me they set down for your name too and make you get two
Apply fee quick and up here.
you they get what? 2 summons one time.
Oh, she breathe.
You they go get
You need
two.
virgin class.
When me say he might get
Hey.
2 summons one time. Right under your nose.
Me go up.
You tell me pay a lie.
No,
I lie they lie to the 12 with the whole
You
time.
tell me pure lie.
No,
the
listen,
whole time.
No wonder why your son not work.
Wait.
No wonder why your son not working.
Wait.
At night time when me in a heat.
You not get, you get it sound.
At night,
You get it
night time when me in a heat.
Let me explain myself.
And me say, Papa, me need service.
Nah.
You know want turn on your pipe for no water come out there.
I know me
You
one.
tell me you're tired.
No,
Oh,
listen,
God.
Tell me you're tired.
Tired.
You tell me you're
tired.
You tell me
Listen,
You tell me you're tired. You tell me you're tired. You're gonna bust up your face. There's a dirty step. Hey,
Can't even service me.
hey, that's when you.
Can't stand me out. Why?
Hey, actually, you don't know what me go do with him, man. You don't know what me go do with you. Me go see where you are going to sleep tonight.
Hey.
And you are,
You are hosting my sleep.
I must you are taking me in, Charmy,
No.
because you know.
God.
Look here, all when you
know
host
how
a
much
team.
once me not see that.
Hello.
Then come once the one hit and run and
And my
go.
yard ain't sleep, so when you don't sleep on my yard, your yard ain't sleep.
Me see him about
And-
1-2 times for every 3 months.
Well, I mean, yard ain't sleep. When you don't sleep in your yard, and you don't sleep off in my yard, you know
And
when
who
you
for
know when you
yard?
sleep? In a bar, saying sleep 2 nights, you know, come, hey.
Hey girl.
Charmian, he
tell
can't
you
come on me yard
what,
tonight, so if you plan to take him
Take
back,
what?
me done with that.
Take what? Me go pick up the same stone my daughter put in my hand, ready for that there.
Wicked.
You know, so I run. He find energy for run. Then can't find energy
Let me
for
tell you something, my friend.
sort me out.
A long time we know one another.
Yes, sister.
I mean, make no man,
No man, no
nah,
word.
nobody, make me and you broke with
No.
friendship. Look how long me not see a girl.
And look how you work out.
I go and tell a piece of disgrace with this man when I meet this man. You know, the first time when I meet him, he used to work in a one cane piece.
Yes.
And me not remember say it we used to tell one another secret, you know. Me not hide this from your girl. The first time you hold me down and take you, never give me game for free, I in a key and piece. So me daughter, me get her in a key and piece.
Huh. You're lucky you get her in a cane piece. I'll let so cabbage. Him hold me down, take me.
In a courage.
Next to cabbage, we have to shoot up so.
Courage.
The courage.
In a bush. So hands not by 30.
Lord, I'm supposed to get sweeter. Cause me never, you know the tree where,
So hold the
you know
courage.
the tree where, hi, you know Papa
That
coming
dirty
like,
man.
them the tree words that mean small. Is it in? I saw him tan.
Hey.
I saw him tan. Me say, is it in?
So in love bush, he look like a film
I
style
push him
like.
off to do it in cause when you're uncomfortable, you know, feel say nothing I feel.
Me say the cane,
Oh,
each
wow.
them would have killed me. The whole of me cane crash for me if he be the river. And he wicked in no feelings, man.
He
Tough.
nah no feelings.
While me
He
in the
nah
water, they do
feel.
so and they soap up and they hollow out how he say catch me. The cane each them. He say him alright, nothing to do him.
Yeah, him used to it. Him not take woman for fool. Him not know.
All he want is just a comfort.
And him not even have no use.
Wicked.
Eh? Lord God, me have to
Hey.
clamp him and hold him down.
The first time me give him, you know, the man make me whine out the whole of my waistline.
God, I saw me not true.
I whine the first time me born me whine so. He
God,
tired me
one
out.
can't whine like a witch.
He whine me,
Yes.
he make me whine out
I
in
saw
the
him-
cane
I
piece.
saw
You
him
see which
there.
part of the lay down? The whole like cane and root out.
That they start sweating. Yeah, hi. Which sound you get? The or the
No, listen
which
here.
one?
You see
He
when
not no
you see in the
use.
cane piece when me did that? Right which part him put me in the cane piece. When he done, and he make me whine out the whole of my waistline, all of the cane them root out from the south.
Yeah, man, kind sour.
This big old thinking man
It's
no
sour.
use and want
I
a
make
poor
you
man
feel
one
work.
time.
And can't do nothing.
Your
Can't do the
child,
work.
soon
Jesus.
17. My child, soon 17. We can
Hold on. Make the joke hotter. Me I go try it.
Make it
Because
sleep up before them birthday
it
one time.
sure can't, so.
I saw him do a dirty man.
I'm
So he look like
my
he can do
daughter
me
born.
in the day and he do you in the night. But listen, all we have to do, try make it two people and live good. Them are done sister already. Them have this same people already. We just keep it two of them birthday party one time. Come on, we go have a drink. Him
Yeah,
alright.
man, he lucky. And can't get good woman like this, you know.
Watch the conky bang, girl. Watch her.
Every time you see your cause problem.
You can't talk to her.
Hi, hello, how are you?
Me fine. How are you doing today,
I'm
madam?
very much okay. So we just talk to her.
Me say me not like her. Me don't know why me not like her.
Just till now you're not feeling making
Alright, me not
one
trouble
where
her
you
today.
don't
I'm
like
not
her.
trouble her today.
Me
Not trouble her.
me like you.
Liza, keep by your mouth.
Mama, come on, cause me realize that every
Hey,
time
stop
me
push
dey
up
on the
your finger
road,
then on my face, cause me broke it.
every time me dey on the road, you shit me up and make people like disrespect me. Me not like it. But you come on, you know.
Actually, you're too enough for that.
La.
Left her no.
She a deal with it.
Me know say
She
she
don't
don't
know
know.
who she a deal
Me
with.
know me can't live without you. So if you got a person, me not have nobody for defend
Like
me.
she
so
know
make
who
she
am I,
stay.
mother. Oh,
Like
me
me I
that
say.
deal with her
Yes,
out here.
Charmaine, the clumper. That's your
Right.
mother. Yes.
Let's get a little sleep. I'm tired.
30 y'all bright. Cleaning jacket. Be a cup of you do.
Yeah, though, how you wake me up, so man? Sure.
Be a cup.
I like to see people have nothing. A little sleep me I catch.
So, mommy,
You alright?
yeah, man. I mean, alright. That's why I look insect ruin me, dear.
What happened? What do you? What
Then
happened?
look a half handicap jacket, girl, man. Sit me
Which
smoke.
jacket will you call? What happened?
No, Papa, daughter, me a call jacket.
Your sister, you call jacket?
No. The other crossmite. Go on for a color jacket.
Kayla, you're a real Gemini, you know? You're a real Gemini. So what you and she have so?
Me don't have nothing. We a walk, you got a drop wood. So if you angle her, can I make them and make she feel like she have no street credit over my sister. So I this the bitch. Bright.
Listen.
Favor concubine.
I know the other day you said she favor Papa the most,
No,
eh?
no.
Eh?
We never
So
said
you
that.
gonna call her jacket and what, tie and whatnot when you turn right, you remember? Oh, your memory short too. Me remember how you tell me.
Me never said that.
Look
Me
how
said
well
it.
she look like him. She have him mouth, she have him eyes, she have him nose and everything. Eh? All her head shaped like a fame. And what she really
Anyways,
do?
mommy,
Like you a call her jacket.
Me say the girl a drop word off of my sister, me defend that in a year.
Drop word like how?
Because my sister Marga.
Yeah, I'm Maga. I'm ever tell her angler for me. I never have a strength.
Since when you miss dictionary? You have to ask your sister to manage something for you.
You say the fighting and things now. And she managed that. You say the mouth and the smartness. I may manage the
So you couldn't manage your sister?
No, me didn't want a girl do something such. My sister angler. Not that me didn't want. Me never want my fingerprint.
Well,
all right.
Where Papa is there? We think I time for your movie, mean.
I know, say your sister dropped on her head, you know. Moving what? Moving what?
Oh, so you go and make Candy take him man for you and have no sense, mommy.
If Candy want take him off the Candy business,
mommy.
If Candy want farm full and take him back off your business, if Mary, Jane and Tarlene want take him off of them business, all me no say. Him have to mind him daughter still. No, and after that call, me done tell him say everything lock up on him, you know.
I know.
So me busy moving with her.
Suppose I lie them tell Papa you have to take back the man, yawa.
Take back what? Take back what when him done admit same picnic.
You see how you raise on all people, you know. Hello, be I am and take back the man and
raise your voice again. I double dare yourself. Raise it again, make me hear louder than mine.
You make it look like you can beat me, but members say you can beat me. I will joke out your eye.
Do it then. You know what? You have come to cut my spirit, you know, with your foolishness.
But feel so she take out her heartbreak on us.
Come me tell you go take back him man and make Papa movie. When Papa movie,
no drop on the head. And on April 1st this. So here what, me take with myself because I don't want to shut nobody a box today. Oh.
Anybody shut a box to Papa? Because she not sense, you know. She make Candy take a whole of the money and like a maga skinny pinnated girl. I have everything. She
like
don't
feel so way I go there I want.
For the ever my man.
He's just selfish. She just think of himself. But heartbroken. Tell by your picnic, tell by your future lady.
For the ever feminine girl. Go back for that.
Oh Allah, you can't do it.
No, me no want feel ugly, but you're too ugly for me.
When you're taking things though, you never find him ugly.
No, things them pretty. Him himself ugly. Me no want it.
You know, see the little girl where your father have how much years now you and that girl is sister?
I don't know.
And we don't know after how much a year now.
Some of me, if you never find out, so daddy have next week.
He wouldn't tell we. He wouldn't tell we.
Me did tell us that daddy a bundle.
Yes, but me couldn't believe saying really, even for a man a give bundle. Oh God, man. You know use protection? You're not busy with the woman where you're there with? You just go out the road. You're big enough for you can walk certain conversation. Me and your mother, so what?
But mommy,
I have to tell you before people tell you.
You get a look mackerel with it, so you know choke and it's so bun.
Ah, Jesus.
Chat on there, chat me, not so.
You know chat about daddy.
Listen to me. We there they talk about you. We're not talking to you. You see the difference?
So.
You get the drift?
Remember you put me out, you know.
So what?
So everything I think share between you and the woman.
Cause I could have walked me and the woman not married.
No, but me happy.
Yeah, so me are there with girl? What you talk about?
Me never say you're there with girl.
And you and her not married?
She a picnic for me.
Yes, so you feel get what she want, give her and get what me want, and give me, and so you go. See him so?
Tell us if you make a girl go look work.
Leave me child alone.
I mean, you worry about daddy.
Don't worry about her, you know say she look good.
And I mean,
you
get put out, and you get put out.
And if you never know me tell her this now. From the day me put you out, the next day she get a job.
Right.
You know say she look good.
You get job with that?
No, you're not busy about, me not tell her say.
You not get no money.
No, me not tell her say nothing. Give him nothing, you know. Me not tell her say fi no give him nothing, you know. But there's a but. There is a but. Anytime they give him nothing, if he hungry, remember the mackerel and the rice, them what he used to give in him and the ton cornmeal by back game.
Yeah.
So that he deserve that he used to give in him.
But you know eat mackerel, you don't know that.
You know eat mackerel?
You could have food.
So where you used to feed with a mackerel? Because you left gun yam shrimp on the woman yard?
Because you say it's national dish, so me just buy it.
For which country? And what could have caused this, Jesus? For which country? Tin mackerel, tin boom, flash out.
Yeah, nothing wrong with it.
I which country national dish? Look here.
I'm just allergic to it.
Let me ask you one question.
So that they are allergic to mackerel and the next woman favor mackerel.
Hold on there.
Yo, watch your tongue, you know.
Watch which tongue?
Not
You have the art of contract about tongue, yeah, so you have any? You know, so you can't talk properly. When I did your birthday, me did buy this gear and this gear. And the people them dirty clothes, me go wash. All when a tin mackerel you did that give me. And me tell you if you come out of house and you take up everything where you buy and where me buy, who you?
Then,
So your woman you go look find out where me buy give you.
no, me get a nice, comfortable place to stay and me and my brethren them go out at daytime.
Mommy, me say
cool.
around a mass and fall come back in my stay. Don't make that the fool.
So I come in.
How would the man tell you that?
Hey,
Who
so
tell you
wait,
that?
so you come back now on that style and make one bag of story first before you tell me say you want to come in back. I come here want to come back.
Yeah.
That's why you stay one comfortable
Me
place.
say somebody can come blow dry me here for me because me not come because me take my hand and give you one box today. Eh?
How you go on to
Your
witness?
teeth out the whole of the comb, then when me have to come here and take you go give girl a road and see that them put you out, me put you out. Where you stay back a full cube.
Good side.
If all them should have shit for you. You're there, me need that. Look how you're big and worthless. Let me ask you something. When you did meet me, before you breathe me, before we even get intimate, you tell me how you love me so much.
Man lie.
And you
Man lie.
don't mix up the rest of man them, say papa I lie.
No.
You lie.
Overall, man lie.
Yes, some of them, not all of them. Because it's not every man is a criminal. I know every man
alright,
thief
but that's
man
fine.
things
You
when
go
them
teach
asleep. You remember say a cane piece. Me you think my friend
Alright.
tell me that. Remember
Alright.
say a cane piece you did hold me down in, you know. And get me that, you know.
But I
let me tell
rape
you
that
what.
mommy.
Oh.
I rape him, rape.
Grape. A grape.
Shot in my box, you see, man.
Shot wish
But
that
I
her back.
rape
She reach
mommy.
the age where you can touch her again.
Listen me.
Cause if you put your hand on her, the two of you go fight you. So be careful.
I can't go to court.
Every man is a criminal
Child
Especially
abuse,
you.
child abuse, child abuse.
in certain ways. Right?
You a big time criminal because when me asleep, you not a thief. And I know every man thief woman when them asleep. You thief when me asleep and when me not asleep. All in a cane piece. What I'm to you?
Why you
Thief
not say,
and
why you
rape
not say
together.
thief from me
Big
too?
criminal.
You better shut it up.
Me not wish it a who you call it.
Shut it up.
Me not shut it up. If you want to talk, you talk.
But daddy, I use
Because
the big
she
thing.
big enough now. She reach. You don't know how much she reach now?
16
No. 2 months gone, long time.
I thought me not
She has
green.
17 and soon reach 18. Don't do it. You better because you don't know when your picking them birthday come and if you never know, the next child that you get outside, the both of them is the same age. And the same year and the same day and the same month. Oh, you're wicked. So what time you get for combine me in the cane piece and go juke out for your salt pin in the river or we were
A courage in band.
in a courage. The handsness, okay, my friend did that tell me, oh, pay courage, take up our front, and you make hands bite out the whole of man just scratches. It's a wicked.
I saw cane me, they can go down the road.
Go do it yourself, sugar.
And she come out and say, come here, me need a
You have a machine for grind out cane for make sugar? Eh?
No.
Remember
say we used to thief cane. Hey,
we who?
Me and you.
Me and you never used to thief no cane. Don't mix me, don't put me in your dirty blender. Me done with you long time. And if you go come back on me yard, you have to pay for come in. And every time you go out, you have to pay for go out. That means if you go look at another girl, me don't get pay for you go meet the girl. And me I get collect the money. So when you reach where she there, she get one little bit and me get the most. You're too bright.
And a 500 US.
What kind of worthless man like you? Me no say you can't give bun, but how you go give the bun now? I mean first I did that with you know. I mean first you meet me, you know that. Me can prove it.
Me never give bun. Me just did a try.
And you want to tell me say? Just see that try for do.
Live
You
like Africa.
shut your backside.
Africa.
Because if you did have no sense at all, you would have used condom if you did respect me, but you never respect me.
Mommy.
They're not good.
Mommy.
Me know because you love go. Raw dog. I see when you could have go out the road, go catch all kind of sickness and carry come give me drunk rough.
Excuse me, mommy.
You should attack.
Glad daddy have AIDS. Look funny aid.
I first hear me that attack the truth. Lord of God, come here, my baby. Come here, come hug me up. Come no run from him, all idiot. Put on his stone. Put on his stone.
You see how you make it.
Put it down, right. Come, me make or you make. Anytime you don't make the kids them come disrespect, you know the way you how to talk to them, how to treat them and go and like say them big friend and little. Little kids learn from the elder they want them. The little one them learn from the bigger one. So anything when she come out her mouth with,
my bed with so bread
your fault.
I'm mackerel working on me.
Deep and mackerel them we give her for nyam from she little until now when she come up so big. At them attack.
At least I be a good father by buying mackerel. Some father now
I'm a good father, that.
Good father for feed your picnic for mackerel.
No, daddy,
I'm they wouldn't mind get piece of mackerel bone.
Happy nice.
You talk.
Shut up your dirty mouth. Cause you look like you put on clean clothes and you don't beard. Now let me start on your
look where in slippers.
But your full cub, look a full cub, back a full cub rich. Around them here say asleep. You think that's true my daughter tell me? I true me when you want see if you don't come tell me. But you're not chat about the full cub where they sleep back. I walk this man.
My other baby mother better put me up.
Other baby mother and me is best friend. You don't know the two we are planning to do with a little backside. You idiot.
She a better woman for you.
Move.
Relax, man. Relax, no.
What you just say? I this me no John Crow.
Mommy, come here, can you see daddy now?
Dirty dog. Me say I want lick in your stinking face to see about she a better woman for me. My friend now go in and nothing with you. The two we left you. Go and John Crow. Make sure you your money go give her for mine or picnic. Dirty dog. I two picnic have two of them my sister. And anytime I see my friend, I go tell my friend boy you say me meet you up on the road, you come ask me if you come stay at me yard. Kuyo, you not get back this front here. You hear that boy, this front here no fear again. Make me cross out Popeye for out of this.
Mommy gone, no.
Boy, you can't in my ear, John Crow. Me know say I hear dirty dog. You will never get back this again because you can't breed me again. Come on. King Galang boy in business. Go and go look for my friend. Me I go make sure I call her and tell her say they come down her yard, the dirty swine. Old dog shit.
Lord, you never can make up the bed properly. Eh?
Mommy, we can't go over this if I go do.
And I never make up the bed properly before you leave, Kayla. You ever have to make up the bed after you?
Mommy, ask me a question.
Mm-hmm.
How you feel after what happened 2 months ago? How you feel?
Wait, then. After you say you clamp them on.
You have to take bad thing with joking.
Right. You can't be too serious in my life. You know.
Why? That's it. We can't make that bother me too much. I'm name man. All me give thanks for is that we find out now. Yeah, we could have been going on for another 20, 30 years and I know, you know.
You tell the truth. If me I did, you would have shame.
Shame for what? And me cheats.
The way how you sit down here and a chat, boy, we never give up, boy, I will never do this, I will never do that, go on the road. Go find us here at a picnic.
I'm with my best friend too. Eh?
17.
Yes.
Me and I have a same.
All your best. You feel good in yourself?
Me no. Me and Candy deal with him. And if him ever thinks say, me can't talk for your mother. Me know your mother long time, yeah? If him ever thinks say he can go back to Candy.
Yeah.
No, your daughter.
The bun get to your head now. Mommy, this one you want to put in it. The bun reach to your head.
No, sir.
She go mad. And the son lick me. The son lick me. When me can more or less say the two on. Me can more or less say the two on my daughter. Because they share the same father. And your mother is my best friend.
Listen to me. Listen to me, mommy.
Me know you really want. Don't call that name.
Not my daddy.
Don't call that name.
Mommy, personally, me think you need a vacation.
Me definitely need that. Me definitely. You go pay for it?
No, listen.
Me want go Cuba.
No, look, girl.
Me want go Cuba, all inclusive. You go pay me daughter.
Mommy, you see a man where you clown, make him pay for it for you.
Me don't want nothing from that the dirty dog. You mad?
I have to think about it too. You say boy you and Candy fight off the man, right? The man they know.
Me no business.
Candy yard.
Which part in their candy yard?
In that candy yard.
No. Candy scour him out. Me scour him.
No, mommy.
That can't go back a Candy and that definitely can't come back here, sir.
You know what Candy do?
What?
Take your turn and a piece of puppy show and take him and fry you.
No. Trina no Candy. Candy not do that to me.
Hello,
Candy, all good for pepper him.
Candy not doing that to her, so make listen. All people are very stubborn. They don't.
Hey, mine with the old. Let's see the old.
Yeah.
Let's see the old.
You see, I tell you nothing you know like believe. Or some me tell you say you get born and you never believe. No, you go and see for yourself say Candy take the man. But you clam man. Your clamp now work.
I staple that.
Alright, remember who is who? When I pick me and me is the big woman. On enough to run that the joke with me, although it's funny. But still. Well, all me can do, me can't say nothing because when I know proof, I can't take care of it.
Mommy, me tell us you see me say me too big guy them.
Alright, me not say me to disbelieve you. But me not have nothing to do with him anyway. So if she want to take him, she take him. If she want for fool and take him back off her business, me don't want nothing to do with that the old crosses. Me go clinic already and check myself and thank God me alright. That's all me want to know.
Your clamp not alright. If you clamp it alright, you don't
You don't know nothing about clamp. You don't know nothing about clamp yet. You're too young for know about clamp.
Me know about clamp. Me a big woman. Me know about clamp. And me a clamp people and then
me don't want to know about that.
And like
me don't want to know about that.
You don't be like me a clamp man and make man left you.
Mommy, I really actually need a vacation.
You can pay for me, baby?
No, babe. No, mama. Go to him and wear a clamp here.
Me not know, man.
No.
Me not know, man, no more.
Find a new one and clamp the one. Goodbye.
Where we get them the funny daughter from? Oi.
Yes, baby.
Where you go?
Eh?
Baby, where you go?
Can't look for you.
And how you just walk in my place like that?
Can't look for you.
You forget you have short memory.
Eh?
You forget some nearly bust your backside with Rockstone.
What?
What you want? I don't want you.
We forgive you after the 2 months, you know?
You forgive me?
Yeah.
You have a cheek.
What?
You forgive me, and you give me bun, and I'll breed next woman, breed one best friend. You're your fault. Can you not realize I'm my friend?
I know bun me give you.
A cheese.
Me not understand what you're trying to say.
Me not understand what you do here, you know.
No, man.
Me not understand. Cause why your head tough? Me fling Rockstone after you and you have to jump out of the way from that and you still are coming like say you own nothing, yeah?
Come on,
you have
relax.
Nothing, yeah?
Relax now, baby. Listen, man. I try to show it. I don't want them woman, them girl, bagaboo.
I know you talk about my friend.
And you got the glue and the glamour.
Me never glue you good. Eh?
No,
my daughter come in here and tell me, say my clamp no hole. Eh? And people are laugh after me out of street. Eh? Of course.
You clamp
around me and you there. Eh? And me think say only picnic you have. Eh? That time you done breed my best friend. When you fought, cause Candy is my best friend and we said.
Alright, I know say it's she first, I know.
The business?
And I know you. In the same day when me and I done have sex and you force me and look come out of the eye back, oh yeah, go and stuff.
Oh God. You know say you're wicked. You know say you not like see black people have anything. So that means you sucker out my best friend and take piece of my best friend and put inside of me. Cause me know say you don't love condom already. You know use rubber.
Well,
So you make me and Candy even closer. Well that me and Candy know if you do with you. Come on. Come out. I don't want you.
I put you out.
Me never put you in. That gone long time. It gone with the Rockstone. Me fling after you. Should have licked you.
I come say, remember I said all these years, I never live here. Now I'm ready to live here.
And me here say you gone back to Candy.
Who said that?
Back to Candy. A Candy you want.
Me can't go back to that witch. You mad?
Mind what you say about my friend. Shouldn't even be sitting on my bed with your sour self.
I love you. And I decided to come back.
Call that the word, because you don't know what love is.
Love is
a sucker me out. And you know say you just done sucker my best friend.
Yeah, well, like say, I'm not.
Alright, no problem.
And
no
national
problem.
anthem.
Me will take you back, man. No problem.
Yeah.
And then me go out and sucker cudgel and come back to you. No problem. What is good for the geese is good for the gander. So sit down and relax. Oh, you feel sore up now. You not like the thought of that. But me must be happy with you sucker out my friend and take my friend juice and compensate.
Wait just about the goose. Repeat what you just said about the goose.
Miss her, you sucker out my friend and then take for her juice and come put inside of me.
Yeah, wait about the goose. What good for you?
What's good for the goose, good for the gander. So,
let me
if
tell you
you
something.
want sucker too, me can sucker too.
Let me tell you something. And every gander is good. You know? And every goose It's good.
Me know.
Right?
I mean, I know if you're a goose or the gander. Me know. For once you talk truth.
I bet you don't want me.
Hey!
I bet you cry for me.
Lord God, you feel the cold. You feel the cold. Come feel hella freeze.
Remember.
You feel hella freeze.
Remember you always want
Time for them, man. Time for them. Time for them. Dirty dog.
So, girl. Girl, ask you a question.
Yes, speak your mind.
So, your father getting the money for you win?
No. Me say, girl, after what happened 2 months ago, not even a red dime me not get. My birthday passed and gone and I never got a thing for my birthday.
No, sir, me I tell you true, man. You know what cause them and something here? Mommy fall. You too careless, man.
No.
Me a warn her and I tell her, I say, man a give her bone, so she must stand up. She must step up. Cause the clamper she a clamp now work, you know.
You know, man, he run out of space, right?
Because look how he make Candy take him man from him.
Well, but what if they can have the man before and then she
what?
No, what if they can the man before and then mommy clamp him and get the man first?
If he shall clamp him man good and do like what Shensia say, when he take girl man, he take them for good. He need to take them and give them back. You shall make Candy walk and pass in the street and I tell her that I say, see, you what take your father from me there.
That was no man, you just sit on over there. No man, I don't believe about that. You see, when I grow up, I want to have a faithful husband. Like
you don't feel like a time for you step up now.
Step up and do.
Get money for your father. Cause your mother not get no money.
Then girl, if mommy not get no to take care of me, how am I gonna ask man?
Cause of you is the daughter.
Oh, me is the daughter, but according to mommy, she's the clamper and anything she wants from him, she can get.
Anytime she clamp a double giant, she get her muscle contract. Anything I want name. Muscle contract when she a clamp. Watch this a half handicap girl, yeah. Watch the concubine.
You don't feel like you want chill. You don't feel like you want low people then pick me alone.
Hello.
I know you're going so strong.
Hello. You must say you're not a sister, so you're handicapped too.
What the BBC wrong with you?
Sit down, man, and shut up. You see me a day with something right, so you come and come in that must be bigger than you. Shut up and sit down.
Me no business if you're bigger than me, you can't take it.
Hello. What's your name?
Since when I get so nice?
No, I'm always nice. What's your name? Something I say, me can't nice to black people like I don't know. What's your name?
Black a call black.
No, I
My
get
name Tiana, what?
Tiana. So I'm going, alright?
This not feel right.
I mean, not feel right.
What?
Me just come to tell you, say you're a jacket. Tiana the jacket. You're not Papa's daughter. You are just a jacket.
At least them say somebody is my papa.
Jacket.
You know your father?
No.
Girl, you bright me know my father are foreign. If your father Jamaica.
So
Papa,
Me
you
and
say.
your sister, shut up and tap embarrass me.
So Papa, you know say I tell it then pick it up in a.
Girl, you didn't pick up in that tell girl. Oh, you're your father. I'm not deceiving but I show your father. I love you.
Yes, so shut your mouth.
You're nothing but a jacket. Jacket. You can't disappear.
So my jacket.
And you don't even one of the expensive jacket, one of the cheap jacket them.
You can't talk to her.
No, she can't talk to me. Your jacket, we're going about it. Big face, girl, we're going about it. Jacket, girl. Girl, me man, we're going about it. You can't
come back here, so.
You can't talk about it. Jacket, girl. Jacket.
So
Yeah, your mama jacket.
Jacket.
Right. You know what, Papa could take you as a daughter.
Papa could take you as a stepdaughter. Step us in your walk when some see you.
No.
Yeah, so every time me they argue, you make people that disrespect me.
Alright, fight him. Lick him down.
Well, I'm probably not girl, what you do? Jacket, yeah, and your sister never went with that. Bust on my face out, yeah.
Yeah, sure, I'm bust
Jacket.
Yeah.
Take me like your girl.
But the girl a fool.
Sit down.
Right.
Boy. Mad.
You see, next time, you see me a fight, don't let off of me. Because you know me no bad. Me act bad. Backside, man.
You see next time.
Suppose me go
Me
grab her and she
another
beat me.
year for hold you, yeah?
Suppose me go grab her and she beat me.
So you not take me and don't know hit it in
No.
prayer for?
Me a trouble like I'm not like her, she take your father from you. No, you not no money.
No, she not take my father from me. My father barely give me things. I just know when stop.
She could have like eat shrimp and now. A shrimp she cannot eat it and you eat mackerel.
No, if I look, you know, see red round your mouth, I'm actually in banana. And drink syrup.
No, we not get no shrimp over here. You know, say me I can't go over.
Me too.
Me I can't go over. I can't go over. Yes, come on.
Mommy asleep,
You know, say me Me not really did that sleep, you know, me just shut up my eye like me did that try to sleep. What me not sleep?
Mommy, me come off everyone. And me see, remember I talk black mark a ugly girl with this with daddy and the next ugly big nose one.
Who you talk?
It two jacket them with daddy got.
What you talk say?
It two ugly pitney them but we see what they are with Charmaine pitney them, my friend pitney.
No, stop it, turn on. Me I talk to you. Have manners. That are my friend. When me know from a long time before me meet your father, don't do that.
Mommy,
What you do,
it's a black
see
marga one, see me I come up here and I call me jacket.
I know your father child that, I know your father child that, and the next one of your sister.
I step pitney.
Yeah, I step pitney, but...
She's calling me a jacket. So me not look nothing like me daddy.
So you a jacket?
No.
Okay. So where you follow she for?
Me
and Charmaine a friend long time. Charmaine tell me so that the one day she don't know the papa.
But I more for be jacket.
So she jealous over you and even her own sister. Cause the two of them I see mother, you know, but different father. And she they call you jacket. What could that ask this?
And if I see her head look too,
oh, she look like a dog with
dog did a swing in her head.
Eh?
If I see her head look like dog did a swing in there.
Dog, they swing in her head?
And in teeth they scatter like chain line.
Oh God. Oh God. Anyway. Anytime I see her, I go talk to her about it. She too out of
can't disrespect anything to it to me.
Nobody in no argument with them. I don't want them to say you grow like a hooligan, you hear?
I am a hooligan, mommy.
No, I know say them first touch. But I know, so your sister when they do it too?
My sister? Yeah, she did a laugh. I know sister that a janko.
No, don't say that. Don't say that. No. Don't say that, please. Although your father cheat and get a child outside, you already get that child. But I your sister and I still your father. So I'm not going to tell you if you disrespect your father. I'm not tell you if you cuss off your sister. But you see that little old witch there? Where your sister call sister? I'm not even sure if them are sister. Because maybe a swap. Then swap all she. Because I could never show me and pitney that, you know. But she can tell about your jacket. She out of order. I'm bright. If you did come tell me say your sister now, we are not have the same father say your jacket would understand where it come from. No, would understand, because you know Pitney can jealous over Pitney, but that the one day when I know Papa. Where Charmaine get from, me no know which part from, whatever dongle heap or toilet pit.
No, look here. Toilet pit, Charmaine go take him up, mommy, and I say favor.
I'm not going to say that, I'm my friend Pitney, but two them agree with me. They will make me say things that me no fi say, no, because that they little girl them better now, but I ring with me now, because she look like a toilet pit, Charmaine.
You see me I tell
box with the cockroach them, and then take her out, you know.
Charmaine, the cockroach them are for her sister.
She out her, and she a pass her place, I choose she know say her sister, and you a sister. For her sister, and you a sister, but you and she and nothing. You get that one there?
True her father, this one her friend.
Jealous.
She just come out, she jealous.
She jealous. If she ever make me see her and deal with her case, because her back Charmaine backs off cockroach off her and take her up out of toilet pit, the outside toilet pit. You know, but I rank with me. Oh.
That rain not follow, mommy. Clothes then take up?
No, they don't dry so good. Make them stay out there.
Mommy, me go look something to eat. Me hungry, cause
alright.
Dirty girl sit in stomach.
Go on in the kitchen. Me dey cook little rice and tin mackerel as usual. Although you dirty papa no dey about chewing broke in a way. He come like say if me no yam me 2 days. Me a dream about it. Yesterday I yam chicken. But yam the tin mackerel today. Your belly way full, tin mackerel and rice, of course. Some people call it flash out. Some call it boom. No
yes,
worry,
baby, yes, sir.
Don't worry yourself, my baby. No worry.
I call come move in.
So where you carry that bag there come? Wait, hold on. Why you carry that bag there come?
Eh?
And put it down back on my door.
Oh, I'm putting here.
So your rag you carry come? No, hold on.
Put in here.
Wait, why you carry? How are this? You have on it up?
Show me this quick, me just suffer.
Mommy, excuse me, she's hard for watching her look under the battery.
You know how this buy? You know how it buy? My hard working money buy this. Tell her, baby.
Mommy,
put up my bag.
Where you go with bag?
Huh? I call me over for stay.
No, me no call if you come back on my yard.
Where you come for you?
Remember me say, this a frontier, sign, seal, and done with you long
me
time.
Me don't want the front, but me want to stay here. Me can't go out.
You think me an idiot? So, me a idiot, if you take money in my house and things saying and go come ask me for my front. Hello?
Me no want him.
I breed the one come breed me again.
For what?
And left go breed one and my next friend again.
For what?
Oh, if me no call you down here for your stay.
No.
When me call you on the phone little while. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I drink, I did a drink.
Yeah, I'm nearly vomit. So I'm going to put it back down.
Hold on. When me call you on the phone little while, I call you to tell you about your stepdaughter. You know what I say?
Let me tell you something.
She see my daughter on the road. Which is your daughter. So nobody look around and so to me say my daughter, our child.
Uh-huh.
And they talk about she a jacket. If she did say her own biological sister did say that, but I kind of understand, say maybe she feel away because she find out say that who of them are the same father, but I know she say it. She only did a laugh.
Oh.
And anybody get joke, then we laugh. Me not have nothing against the little girl. And my friend pick me.
Oh.
But the next insect, God forbid.
Uh-huh.
God forgive him if he say.
You roach.
Uh-huh.
If he say this, but that's true. Why she can style my youth? I want him.
I can ask you a question.
What she mean when she say she a jacket?
Me don't know. They must know why they say so. They must know why, because my people, when they talk to me like how she talk to me.
I think if I make your people and call me a road jacket.
Hello. If you know what best you shut your mouth. Talk. So what if you do what, you know?
Take your clothes them and go along back which part they go, because me call you to talk to you about your child and your stepdaughter and you don't tell me bullshit on my ears. She must know and them must know why them a call you own and pick me jacket.
Then why she
you don't have nothing to say, you can't pacify nothing.
How you reach them way? I don't know.
What you mean? Government, look here, the road are over. A private road.
But I
got land and government to make a road panny public. For everybody.
Daddy no man. My big 17-year-old, if I got my birthday, no.
Your mother put me out, so we couldn't tell her happy birthday.
Okay, yeah, my father.
So she not on her phone. That is no excuse. Sorry. You're late.
How can I call somebody who block me on WhatsApp because them a text man and them a identity like them?
You sound like you want your daughter. You look on her age. She can't have a boyfriend.
I wish boy what?
You can't tell me.
And she have her subject them.
And have a roof.
And she working. What is which roof? You have a roof over here. If you did a roof over here, me could have put you out. You have a roof over here.
I mean, walk out.
Remember, say, I mean, buy nail them and you buy the board and you take out the nail, the whole place drop down. You forgot?
You stack up our food, there, man.
Where you watch me play so far?
Could have ever provide.
Are you broke with yam tin mackerel and canned beef?
Wow.
You're lucky. You're not getting none. You go name shit.
You can't find money and get tea.
Me nah cook give you. Go name shit. Me top cook give you. Papa, me stop cook give you.
You know something?
Hey. Nobody tell you me take it so easy, you know. When me find out, say, my friend, you get pregnant, how long you breed, my friend, and me no know, you know. You keep that as big secret. Me not trust you again, you know. So if you even come back in and so come sleep, you know, you will be sleeping over the corner or upon the floor or under the bed. You know?
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, me take that.
Nobody get too happy because me no don't talk. I not touch me.
No, man, me good, man. Me say me alright.
Me uncle dey sorry for you because me here say they sleep back at my John where you want name fall cool back. And you are my child father.
True.
And people have your road a chat about how house over here and your help make you and you there with a road. That are the only reason why me go make you sleep back in here, but me don't want you.
No, sir.
Me cool with that.
Okay. This is 2025 and before 2025 done, me going to look a man. No ramp with me. And you're jealous over me seeing me like I say me here they grind.
No, man.
No ramp with me, you know.
You can't have all the man in your one. Me good. Me cool with that, man. Me cool.
What you mean?
Me cool.
What you mean you're cool? Then you know must cool that you don't get hot. No ramp with me. Oh. Because you keep such a secret from me for over how much years.
Me never keep it. Me did a job inch, but you never see it.
Then you can go out, please.
Make idiot turn. Can you see look like I say one beard and he hungry? No, he can't me again. I know they with the hungry catch ya.
If you sleep on the corner or on the roof, you tell him go in the toilet go sleep.
No, I don't want when me go in the toilet. Hello.
Them know say me should have buy them 2 pills like you if it dash our way. when me did come in at you. Cause if me did dash away, she wouldn't have time for your load up on me, you know. After me work so hard, teach people mango, breadfruit and banana for minor. And that are the times when me get, I understand why some woman dash a picnic before they come out, you know. Because of them a problem them a run from. This is stress and problem.
Hey, Jeremy, man.
How for picnic you talk about dash way?
Free
With dash way who?
Free
Thank
way.
God you never put that there in my head because I wouldn't do it neither. I would have rather run away with my belly. It's big so. And go have me picnic in a
What you know,
bush.
yo, she had along? Tell her to excuse me, talk to you private.
Are you make sure they deal with your so you never have no respect
Tell
for
her room. Me want to talk to you privately.
Excuse the could be me here with the old dirty dog if he say. If I think he might take time back with my front in and friend me up a line the tail. Line the tail.
And you're the only woman me have eyes for right now. And I tell you, just give me back a chance. And me make things right. Me used to give you a little bit of money. Now I'm going to give you enough of money. Just give me back a chance. It's time to make US now, you know.
And that's why you don't want to hear you say I beg me back my front. You want to come sleep back with me if you come breathe me again and let me go breathe one of my next friend. And make the two of we have it the same time again like we do me and Charmaine.
No, me not going to do that. Me set it up.
You never know say I'm a friend, but for sure you say he's a cheater and he's a womanizer. You can't satisfy with one front, you need many front. Front I go kill your backside.
Me change now, me change.
You change?
Yeah.
That a when? Me never know which, oh Lord Jesus, which can be you go?
Me change.
Which can be your change?
I am a one-man woman now, you know.
I
don't want
so since me put you out, since me put you out, you find one woman and she change you?
No,
which woman you talk?
No, me go to church, go rejoice and repent.
Rejoice?
No.
After the foolishness them where you do, you go to church, go rejoice about it?
No, me repent.
Me repent, you did want to say rejoice?
Yeah, and confess.
That's why I know say a liar. You, how you have to mix up revenge, repent, revenge, and rejoice in a one.
Yeah.
So revenge you come back for take? Me.
Don't worry, man. Everything I go good, baby. I take a shower. You're good, man. Long time. I'll fix up. Just fix you up. I'll buy some roses and give you.
Fix up who? Me never tell you say me want you back, you know. Me never tell you say me want you back, so me no know how you so happy. You make me send out me pitney because you want take time come beg me fit the back with me. Me say I catch in you, we would not go grind. We not go ride.
Alright.
We ain't riding anymore.
Alright.
So go see if you can beg Charmaine some front and say she da give you because me know
me no want, but that's a cobweb.
You is a hypocrite, you tell me early on, you know. You tell me early on how much days ago. Since you try to come back in my life, say, Charmaine a better woman for me. Now you come tell me say you don't want her back, you is a hypocrite. So when you see Charmaine, what you talk about me say?
Maybe when me see you, me when
and when you see me, you see what you talk about Charmaine say, you don't want her back. And you went tell me already.
No, me never.
Say she a better woman for me. No, you don't want she.
Me couldn't say that. Maybe me the junk.
Me know.
Me did drink.
Ever drunk already?
Relax, man. How you me love, man? No,
so what you gonna do now? You gonna be there for your dirty crosses in my bathroom?
Yeah.
You better don't know me soap and me know you love shit. Take time flush you in the toilet.
Where you cook? Cook bully beef?
No.
Where you cook?
Tin mackerel as usual with rice. I eat your broccoli.
Alright, me eat the sauce rice. No problem. Yes, baby.
Be it first before you go in my kitchen because I don't want nothing
alright.
in my pot.
Alright, honey.
No waste out me water neither. Take time shit, take time flush me toilet and take time use me tissue. Yeah, man, blast.
Come on, watch out. Red Dance.
Yes, dirty girl,
What go on concubine?
Me there drunk now.
Feel I'm afraid of you? You say me like you?
Me need to know me like you.
I don't move from near the girl.
You know, see me have to come up, me have to great my sister.
Oh, I'm licking in your face. I'll defend me. Me look a dirty stinking worrying girl come talk to me certain way.
Me ever take a man, bitch? Me ever
you know, no man for me if you take. My man them no want something like a you will kill them off as they look by you.
If you want to hold your man.
Hey, let me
Drunk or lie?
That your mama see the power.
Daddy, me did cash, who are dead? Me no lick so soft.
Come make him a talk to you, so.
A man who no pay a customer.
Hey, girl, don't tell a lie for me. Me lick you.
That one here different.
She the next one to me, your sister. She
Let me do your girl.
excuse, I don't hear some of it. You too liar that with you. Me did lick you?
Easy me for true. Me not.
You should have lick you for true.
Why not pay yourself? Why not? Oi! What is it?
Turn up your son. Are we yard though? No, you're not for fight and I see two against you.
Daddy,
How are you there for?
I'm not to get him like you. Me like you now your mind. Cause your mother take me man.
Your mother can't hold him man. I feel me yard in there.
Come over here, son. Come over here, son.
I can't say no another option.
Tell you to get together, come over here, come argue with me.
You do that. Talk.
Nigga, me not afraid for fighting.
Talk.
Hold me banga, cause I'll never in a shake.
Talk.
Hold me, daddy, hold me. No, hold me, no, daddy, come here, hold me.
Hello.
Daddy, you eat that over there, so.
Hold me. Yes, the girl, let's see if you never hold me. You, me run licking if you hear, girl.
But so where you hold the true for? Where you hold the true for? Daddy, excuse. You're drunk.
Bright.
You
Talk to your daughter.
Hey, girl, my lawyer walk past me, you know?
I never see you. Delete your face.
Talk to her. Me never do her. Me a walk and she push me.
You're the bigger one. The bigger one in the far road with the two little jackass them.
How will you call jackass?
One jackass.
I'm here mine on you know. I'm here mine on me can't call on you.
Me no know how you call
If me a
yourself
jackass,
daddy.
you're bigger jackass because of out of your back me come from.
And the eye never chang enough. I saw come with on the jackass.
Me and your daughter, but me ask her a question. I say your daughter supposed to talk to you. She talk to you like your boy. Your boy?
This is no father figure.
Here there. You can't talk like a man.
Alright, see your mama come here. You're weird. You will know who are the father figure. You don't know who are the father figure.
Mommy shall put your back out.
You can chat.
You see how me that tell me say over the girl.
I feel me hard in there in bed. Mommy put him up. I wasn't talking to you. I wasn't talking to you.
How are you?
I saw you that lie to be. Excuse yourself.
Hold him.
But you get in her face, she has sense, you know.
Me have sense. You have sense.
He say you thump him for real, so you not get accused for fakeness.
I mean, she
Before
had
you get your talk to you, take you down to the street and shame you.
How are you?
You out the street and shame your daughter them. Before you bring them home and talk to them. You down to the street and shame them for looking for true.
Hold on. Hold on, there, Charmaine. Come. The train is stuck. No, wait, hold on, no, fight here. Although must fight already. Come over here, so.
You know me not talking about it,
No, fight. No, listen, wait, hold on. I know you may talk to you know. I know you may talk to cause me know say Allah you tell upon them. Look here, me soon deal with you. Listen to me. This is your sister.
I know.
You know say your sister, right? Oh no, if you fight, don't.
No, I never see me did a fight, mommy. At the beach there.
Hi.
Hold on there.
How that come in?
Hold on.
Hold
It's my daughter though.
I'm gonna ask to my mother.
Alright, no this.
My mother,
Alright, no disrespect her. I'm a friend member. If you have manners to people, me teach her that. Listen, cause our daughter never disrespect me. Listen how I go now. I'm a friend. I'm not gonna make nobody. I know picnic. You I mean one. Are you me calling nobody? I know them.
Make candy talk and keep your mouth.
Me not make nobody. Me be specific.
Make this.
I mean not make no children. Me and my friend when me know for a long time in a nothing. You as a pooper and a stepper come here so I see them in an argument. Me don't know what good dog, but me stay way down so I hear somebody come tell me come up here, you know. And you know come say to your two daughter and your stepdad. Me know if I see that one you in the look, me know say a lie they tell.
We beat ya.
Listen.
Listen to
me now. Alright, guess what? All of the disrespect start now.
Alright, wait, then can I say something?
Why you not up here so I fight? What is the problem?
No, my
point. One at a time? Who first want to talk?
Me.
Jesus God. What you do? Me not talk to you. Stay one side until me ready for you.
Alright, just let me talk.
Come on, one day say to my daughter.
Yes, since as in him now, make we attack him first. This is him Diana say, we beat him up, right? So since we get accused for it, right, we can beat him up in front of him for sure and say we do it for real. Because then come here and accuse we. So it no make no sense we not do it and we get accused.
No, you're my friend daughter. Let me tell you something. Alright, so don't worry yourself. Here, easy yourself. Just try to live good with your sister and live good with your next sister. Me know say, listen, me know say you and your sister is not the same father. You understand? And me know say you and my daughter do not have the same father. But that no means so no feel live like a hooligan. Me know your mother for years and me and her never have anything yet. You know, sister, not even. Your stepfather could never make me and your mother in argument. So why uno young people, look how no pretty and nice. What no problem on the pan road that disgrace on yourself? And you know what?
You need to talk to your daughter.
No, one lady just tell me. Not true, you don't hear me I say nothing. Me no say another when I start in and not true because I'm a picnic sister, you know.
I know she started.
I know, say I know she. The lady describe you and tell me the kind of clothes that who start to wear up here so. So you me come about now. Let me tell you something. You go have manners to big people and know of it. How you the fight after your father?
Me no.
You shouldn't.
What
We about it. I mean, yes, we about it. The lady say you the fight after your father.
Now him push up tick in your face. So she push up tick in your face.
And you and the man on size.
Cheer them.
No, you're too lie.
I got some money now. Stop telling lie for me pick
No, listen. I lie. Me here says this one. And you did stand up there right here when the lady says this one start to war up here.
You can't take hearsay, go cut candy.
No, but that's true. The big woman not tell a lie on her. And as she started to show me believe. The woman show me up on the camera.
You don't know my daughter.
It's not this one started now. My
we
child.
don't witness nothing.
I see it on the camera.
Of course.
No, I don't hear me see it on the camera. You see, don't do it to me because you're a child. Don't do it, Charmaine. Don't do it.
Don't involve me. She asked me to come down and call me red and then the girl can bright.
Miss Candy, make her ask you a question. Words can hit anybody? If me call you one name, where you supposed to let me down?
Listen.
But I shouldn't promise so.
Your daughter push me,
Action
no.
speak louder than words.
Your
So I
daughter
do
push me, no.
understand whatever you're saying, but
Your daughter push me.
she do it for a reason.
And what
Why
she do it
people
for?
and they trouble them and they not trouble you?
Me not free for talk out of my mouth again.
Then they free
I
for
feel
bust your backside.
Alright, done the argument. Can we just have
You
the
better lie, you know.
They're free for bust your
over him?
You better
backside.
hold her over there,
Him
so.
no work the argument and the raised blood pressure. Say, here,
Come
what?
over here.
No come.
Come over here. Okay, and the next thing too, you don't have no sense, cause
later.
members say make it girl take your man. You
But here, yeah. So we understand, man. Make your daughter then go and come here. Come here. Yeah, you done say them figure then yard already. You come here when me talk to you.
You done too.
Wait, hold on. Me not understand you, Shamin. Me not understand you for the years when me know you. Me never know say your daughter talk to you, so you don't tell me that. You keep secret from me too. You know your daughter just said to you so.
Candy, me will deal with my picnic.
You know you she just said to you she style you.
Remember who the common enemy is.
Remember
who the common enemy is. Don't touch me.
We don't busy to the picnic then, because they will go shame with our road. Everywhere we go.
You're big man and you talk and shame on street too.
No, hold on there. Are you come watching me, are you?
No,
wait, hold on.
My picnic,
No,
Candy
no,
don't
no,
do it.
no, no.
Candy don't do it.
Yeah,
Candy don't do it. Where him
No.
Don't do it, Candy.
Oh no, me have to go deal with
Deal
them.
with him.
No, you have to deal
my
with children
picnic.
then.
We will deal with my
Right
picnic.
is right.
You
Right
deal with
is
your
right. You have to deal with them.
Don't do it,
They can't come
Candy.
like you set them to fight off their one and they don't. You mean don't do it?
Candy.
Oh, you mean don't do it?
Deal with him, Candy.
What the hell you talk about? We have to talk to the whole of them because foolishness never go on with you so.
Me will deal with my
What you
picnic.
mean?
You deal with
You
yours.
don't look like you can deal with them, Charmaine.
Candy.
You don't look like you can deal
Candy,
with them.
what I deal with?
What the
What I
black
deal
side
with?
on the say they do? Eh? You turn up here so before you
You want
fight.
a woman for fight over
Yeah.
you.
Me and the victim, you know.
Me and Charmaine now fight over you. So you hear we are chat about the picnic them.
And me them thief, you know.
So, hello, thief.
Them thief me 50 grand,
So
right?
them thief, you
Hey,
too.
you have 50 grand for
Lord
them
Jesus.
for teeth.
I
Stop
can't
tell lie.
care if you can share between the two on the car.
Stop tell lie.
Wait there. So I'm not see
Stop
them with
tell
no
lie.
money.
Where the money there then?
Yeah,
Where
I
the
know.
money there then?
Me not want penny chip on the 50,000 because that's not
Which one of them thief from you?
Don't
Me
touch
not know which one of them. Come on, baby. Listen now.
Baby, don't touch me.
Make we
You can
just go
talk
to
with
the
your hand.
hotel.
Put them out.
Come like answer by
We
me.
just go to the guest
Hold
house.
on there.
I would just spend.
Which one of them thief your money?
Me don't know which one of them, but make it 10.
So you're sure say you get 50 grand
Yes,
right
yes,
now?
yes, yes.
Me I care 50
Which
grand for calling
him
me
a
to
go-
one.
him a go quiet now, another 50 grand.
Yeah.
Which one of them thief your money from you? Tell me go take it back from them. and
Me don't
come
know
back
which
on
one of
you.
them, but yeah, we have to know.
Alright, listen how we go now. Me say me would take it back from them and carry on you. Just tell me Which one of them thief money so me can take it from them and share for me and Charmaine? 25, 25.
I want out I 3, but me not really matter because I feel me pick them no matter what.
Lie at this. This is a whole lie at this. That's why me never kill it.
So then thief 50 grand from you. And it no matter because your kids them, so what you tell you for?
Aye.
Because me and the two want to just go and guest house tonight and have candlelight and have...
Ha! With what the money gone? You say money gone. Where you go use pay the hotel fee and everything?
No, me have little money can book the room.
You want to go hotel? Where there? Where there? Where there?
Relax,
hotel?
relax.
You got to take who for hotel? Eh? You think some old trash?
It's one of me woman. I'm coming to serve me.
Beat my man then. Beat my man then.
Watch out. What kind of little lick that you're again, Charmaine? This a big old tough donkey here. Come here. Hold on. Get your backside. Come here. Let me go. Let me go.
Go hotel. You think so we all that? Go hotel. Lick him, Candy. Lick him.
No, lick your body.
Lick him.
All right,
Lick him, Candy. Lick him.
Yeah. Let me get the money. Take money.
Give me the money. Give me the money.
Stop telling lies. Stop it too. They take no money from you. They all take money from you. Liar.
Candy.
Drop him. You're too damn lie. You're too lie.
Who go hotel? You think so we
Liar. Come about your business, liar. For them take down 50 grand from you. Yeah, money. You drink rum like a dog. Bobo Pitney take money from you. Top 10 life on them.
This is a lie, my top how we Pitney them though.
As bad as them be. Me sure say they not take no money from you.
This is a lie.
With all dead prick boy you want 2 man one time. Dirty dog.
Candy, me have a big joke for you. You know where the dirty dog just walk in my place like say him still own it and me and him still there. Hear the joke. It's you I want, I always loved you. And me want come back, baby. Me no want that dry girl Candy. Me want come back. Tell me something. Him did there with you first? Can you tell me, say, him did there with you first. And the same night he meet you and him come to me. Kaka fat, you know, so me and your sister now. Because your juice are flowing at me and my juice must be flowing at you.
No, listen. Guess what you just said to me?
I
believe you.
Huh?
You know why? He come on my yard. Okay?
I told you I'd running, brute.
And they go on with himself and they tell me, oh, no, I you. And me want, and me and baby and this and that.
Yes.
Let me tell you something. Me hunger go put you up and you go sleep either the corner. I'm not afraid of
the dirty dog.
Either the corner, I don't care. You want to hear in here. Either the corner, you go sleep under the bed or upon the floor.
You're good for put me out. You're good for put him out.
No. If you want me baby father, I'm same as sleep in a full cub. Right behind the man full cub back in there. Right
that's where belong.
Right back in man full cub.
Where you like that for?
So true, after me and your baby father, me and your friend. But just to make it idiot stay on the floor or over this upon the bed, you can't touch me.
You for build a brick wall between your ear.
Oh, you got try. Dirty dog, you think me not ready for your junk? I see you this a long time.
What we do?
What you mean what you do? Oh, you see how you go tell Charmaine, oh, you know
what Candy you want me. And you go tell Candy say you don't want me, you want Candy.
When you just meet me, at the same time you do right with me. Wish I chew in the cane piece, me they give you.
Hey!
I not even make you nothing, you hold me down and take you and bring
Him
me.
hold you down too, him hold me down too.
One woman with another woman and the other woman with the other woman. I say I do. I see when you tell me say you don't want Charmaine.
And you tell me say you don't want Candy. Eh?
What kind of game you play?
Me tell you that.
Me a liar. Me a liar.
Me tell you that.
Ha!
You're too bright.
Me a liar.
Right in front of me, you tell lie.
Me a liar.
You tell me so you don't want Charmaine.
And you come to the two friend. And you believe the two friend now got check. And me a go fall out check you.
You don't want share, you don't want me. What you want?
I love you, baby. You know that.
You there?
Hey there.
Say nobody love Charmaine again.
For the record. For the record.
Say nobody love her again.
No. He never did. He never did.
What you say? Who you love? Who you love?
Me love you.
Love who?
Don't pine for me. Don't pine for
No,
me.
me not paying for you.
What you mean?
So who
Me
you love,
you.
so?
What that mean?
At the arrow. Me love you.
Me no love you, me no love no arrow you have neither. Me no love no pint. Go long.
Which part you did go? You better you go on.
Yeah, go long. Can you protect my brain and I spoil my spirit?
Me no want.
Don't dare talk to my friend.
Not touch me. I hope I know my perfume. I take out. Where they come from? Over me yard come and go take back my key from you again. And you see this time when me take back my key from you.
You should have do that long
Nah, come
time.
back to me yard. Sorry for you to me. You say I sleep back. I man fall come back.
Move and go on.
Where you smell like my perfume?
And it not even smell as
Why?
nice for you.
Alright.
Me what?
Alright.
Go long off cold folk up where you
No,
go
no,
long.
where you take out my perfume and I
dirty
use it for like
dog.
a you by a
You
little
can't tell
idiot.
me no know how in heaven's name you
I'm
open
sorry,
up him for
sorry,
so long.
sorry for you drunk, bro. But think can't get back this affront
No.
again. I just catching my house.
You still have to keep him in your
He
house.
just asleep there so
You're
till he
good,
get
Candy.
somewhere for himself.
You is the
Cause
most
two of me sitting up, me
forgiving
don't want to let him on the
person
road
me
too long.
know.
And if he talk too hard, me run him out, make him come over here.
A joke that make me gone. Like how him protects my spirit, me
Come on.
gone. Come. Oh, dog. Remember,
Alright.
remember how Miss Louise used to bust we ass? We had the belt round our neck. Come and sit under my nose. Come and sit under my nose,
You
remember?
used to hate the woman there, see? She disgusting, the woman spiteful.
Oh, God.
And she used to punish me and not give me nothing for name. But you're not going to get the food until you learn to spell your name. Me hate her. And then she have one long old cane.
Oh, God.
You see, anyhow, me come on school late, the woman tell me to take off my tights. I used to wear tights and a uniform, remember?
Yeah.
And tell me to lay down over the bench. Whap! And you go tell my mother, she and we move her friend, then we my one next idiot. Tell the woman say, she come home, come tell me and I give her another arsing. First time people me not like them style.
No, same. So my mother, my same.
Two
So my
beating
father
you get in a one.
That's why.
Teacher give one, mother give one.
That's
Nowadays.
why me never used to do my things in front of people. Me get catch with what? You must
Hello. Good evening, my manners.
Good
Good
evening.
evening.
I know one man named Popeye.
How are you? Why you ask about Popeye?
I for one man named Popeye.
Why you look for him and
I'm
who
father.
are you? Where?
You are? So that
Father. No, I live so I can't ask you.
Little girl. Your mama you how much you roll before me start was certain?
13.
30.
Oh, wow.
Jesus.
Wow. This is our number 4. Wow.
Well, lad.
Whoa.
Easy
Let
to
me
believe
stand up for
people.
this
You know
one.
say I know they in the day with
Come
the
and
little
know
girl.
him.
You in the day with the little girl, ma. And he
Me
ma
know
come, said he
him.
come for the
Oh,
money
little
and that.
girl.
Oh, sorry.
2 of them.
My manners.
Oh, not twin.
Evelyn.
Yeah. Big sister.
Nothing to do with no baby. Tell me how on the father tan.
Oh, yeah,
Describe
wait.
it.
Hold on.
How your father
What's your
tan?
name?
Fuck! You see this? Hey!
Nah. You know what's
But
something
now have any more brother and sister?
No, just 2
You have to check.
What you say, my brother and sister?
We have to laugh now. We can't take this serious no
Not
more.
twin man.
We can't take this serious
So, what
no
you say,
more.
Papa, you not look for no father?
I'm Nana's party live.
So why you see me on the road and she and you know see nobody else?
No, me a pass and ask if I know one man named Popeye.
No, me don't know him. How? Yeah, are your father? Are your mother saying come to come ask me that?
No, I don't even know you miss.
So tell me something.
So you can't choose
Me
me
just-
if you can't this a coincidence.
Hold on.
Outside.
Be curious. Not fast, no business, but we just want to know. Is he a good father?
I don't know.
Well, no.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hey. So how your father and you don't know? So you not take care of no?
Yeah.
So if your father
good or bad, come there, they run him like that. I'm just gonna spend time. I'm still not sitting on my bag.
so who you gonna spend time with?
My father.
Chubbox.
Hi.
Where your father live, little girl?
No, I'm just gonna pass and ask you know.
Oh, wow.
How much Popeye there in the world?
Me no know none other. And me no recognize no other one but the one
Where your father last
Popeye.
name, little girl?
No.
Jesus. Are your mother last
Hey.
name again?
Look, so.
But me
Him
not tell her.
do her the same thing.
Wait, hold on.
Him do her the
Little
same
girl,
thing.
me soon call you now back. Go on out there so little bit. Go on.
No walk too far, baby. We
No,
just a fight. We just a confer physical. Why? Why? A four.
You just say pity name fever, Papa.
Yeah, man. Come see them, come see in double.
So,
then you can't deny them too, you know.
Yeah, me soon call you now back.
Yeah, man. No, don't come too far. We just a double check. Say he's alright, Papa.
No,
hold on there.
No leave.
Hold on there, little.
Listen.
Go stand in the shade.
The two pitney them are twin. So Papa coming back in a me house.
I saw that ugly wretch. Hey, and catch you. Catch me. I bet you hold her down in a bush same way. No, sir. Me have to laugh now. You have to take bad thing, make joke.
So, them the two pitney there.
On top of your one. On top of my one.
He favored.
That one in can't, then the twin can't. Two for the person one.
Favor him.
No, sir, we have to go deal with him, you know.
Hold on.
We have to go deal with him.
But
we have to go plan
happy
and deal
nice.
with
Just
him.
listen.
Gone too far
No,
now.
listen.
Wait. See, no, sir, you have to go deal with that. That can't work. You see me, I laugh out of temper. That
me
can't
taking
work.
back the drunk crowd. You not get to me and say no. You see me, I laugh. Me serious
just
right
tell
now.
you, say, yeah, idiot, you used to get catched by me.
No, listen.
You get catched
when
by him.
Listen, man, you think me a fool? Just ease yourself. The man member say I'm a baby father, so I have to help him because he might sleep back. I fall come back.
I feel me baby father, so me not do
know,
that.
but you not taking me in and me name want the disgrace and sing cause you know say with daughter they say sorry for man take him up for her although she always a cuss him and sing. So me you know I tell me daughter say yeah alright cool whatever. Take him in and sing. I remember me tell him so if he sleep over the corner or on the floor under the bed.
Look from this knowing
So,
him is on top of the
when
bed.
he left and say
You're
they go
lucky.
work, he find another woman and breed a woman, but this a man
The
that don't
same
like
time.
his protection.
You go check yourself since you find out.
Me and him not do no remember, he just a stay me hard. No.
Disease staying on you for years. You see when me find out, me run go clinic go and check myself.
No, me go long
Me
time.
go check myself.
Since he come back in our house, me and him
And
no,
that
you know,
now come
remember say
near
me run
me.
him out. You forgot? You left him, me left him, me and him not there, me just make him and stay there.
Yeah.
I want dirty dog.
Yeah, idiot.
So I see we if a little girl come here. You two wanna come here.
Come, why no work so far? Come.
Come here. Come here. Not a thing. We just wanna discuss about the man we wanna they ask about.
Your father.
Uno father. Anyway. How are uno mother?
Hello, man. Let's try to the lady. Oh, nice, yeah.
Where wanna come from?
Up there, so far, that's all. And so what we staying where?
Western. Which part wanna allow not tell? Which part wanna Western wanna live?
We tell.
So how you act like the two are not twin, you know I see him age, you know a big old 13-year-old, you know fi act like you know all sense. Which part of Western you live? Me kinda see somebody like you run a PV lane, you know. One day when me they walk and sell the guests them around there, come walk and sell when me ready on the beach. Tourist things, you know, like them nice little something here. And some other red and gold and green one and me always sell them. So you know look like a somebody when me know, but me not too sure. Anyway, a PV lane no live not true run a West End. Man, this one already. But me never know say Papa. You know him, you know? Of course me know him.
Oh, we both know him.
I'm gonna look for with bag. Oh no man.
We can't spend holiday.
But if you spend holiday with somebody who don't know where they live. Suppose man take you know say una 13-year-old and no mother know say una left out of yard with clothes. Bag of clothes and sitting. So wait the phone no mother idiot then. Because no mother send you somewhere where you don't know. If you get in touch with the father, make you father know say uno come there and he look out for you. And uno have one little phone and he call you and know which part on the road you know that me not understand.
No, you talk a
me not
father.
believe them.
You talk a father, not a sperm donor.
No, wait, me not understand.
Hey.
No. I run on the runway.
No. My father don't
But me have a question. Him telling us say him have place to put you know?
No, they uno and him talk on phone. Uno never talk to him yet. They never talk to him yet. They don't know where he live.
What's it
Hey!
We're too big old woman on the far road and beg people picnic.
Beg, hey! Hey!
Stop me, man.
Hey! You stand that side, Candy, be on this side. You don't recognize their faces. This is the man in the picture. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hey, 3 and 4. Hey,
I mean that. But anybody can take a picture of a social media.
why? Here the line not even have imagination.
Come here, cause me no know you and I first me ask you. Me no who these 2 kids to you?
I first you see me.
Yes.
I first me I see them.
Eh?
Start this one, me.
Hey!
Here you now.
Hey! We want to see get out of this you one.
This
So 4. How much? What the number now?
sorry.
What the number now?
Hello.
What the number now?
Where you member?
I'm a niece them.
Hey!
Your niece.
What are doing?
I'm here, cause me don't know you. I first me ask you who you.
I'm a niece them, man. What
Are
are
your
you
niece them here?
Eh.
Daddy.
Hey!
Let me tell you something now. Where you say you don't know me?
I'm my wife.
Where? When?
I'm out to this.
See me.
Don't bring me in another.
Listen. Hey, tapping eyes making talk today in pitney them. You want your niece them?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. You want just a little girl? Him say, uno and niece, me and wife, and see side chick there. Well, story come to bump now. Uno turn up right here so I 2 more and know. One up to, one come out. And if I lie, uno tell. You see him? I'm a picnic pa. You see him?
I'm my picnic pa.
I'm picnic pa.
That's why I asked you earlier if you have no
listen to
brother
me.
and sister.
Hello.
You have sister.
So, me have one daughter for him, and she have one daughter for him. So no have 2.
Shut up, what you do wrong now?
Don't lick her. Don't lick the child. She have more sense than you.
Don't let the yard. The kind of no other family.
Oh, so him know them.
He
Don't
know
let the
them.
yard. You can't even lie, you damn brute.
Next
You
you talk.
can't
Next you
even
talk.
lie.
What you say about niece? What you say, little girl?
Where are your niece? Where are your child?
Me know that.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
You chat too much.
You know that.
And I'm
Yeah,
side chick.
why how many carrots? I'm hungry.
Yes!
I'm hungry too.
Yes! And my daughter hungry or mouth dry. Candy,
Me
you're
daughter
big-
not hungry.
Oh, you're too prideful.
Me daughter
My
not
daughter will
hungry.
take her sister share.
Me daughter not
My
hungry.
daughter
and
will
she
take
no
her
want
sister
nothing from you.
share.
Finna
And you
member
know say
say,
you
"I'm the
not
house,
leave.
you're
You
living
know
in
say you not leave this spot till
Hello.
something run.
Hello.
And then I'm gonna you.
Let me tell him. Let me talk to him.
Because I'm tired.
And me house you live in.
I'm me Billy.
I feel me nail there in my board.
I feel nail but on my board.
And if me take out the nail, the house drop down. Someone fi know where you go put yourself and them. Your daughter will you give me and myself. Oh, you go. When me run you out. Again. If me run you out now. See them. Oh, see, look. See little girl with bag here. See there.
Yes.
Then come fi spend time with you. Where you go put them. Then young and night a come down. So guess what? Me we take them in at the house and then go in yard tomorrow and you are go sleep out the door. All the part they go. Cause me
Because them can't sleep in the
can't go
house.
put them out the door. Cause a girl child
You
them
know
and
that-
then young.
you know
and then
what?
are responsible
Me
for
now waste
themselves.
no
Who you?
energy on it. That is a good idea.
How you breed other woman and in my house?
I don't mind at the
there.
same time. You deal with him, Candy. Come me not deal with this.
Where you say? Hold it.
Which one are we a mistake?
Where say,
Which
oh,
one are we a mistake? Which one are we a mistake? For them mother, Candy or me, which one are we a mistake? Or whichever 10 million out of street. You see, if we see how the spirit work, if we never catch out outside or take a little breeze, huh? What information would have passed we by?
You stop repeating them and create problem. You shouldn't stop them. Why you do that?
Oh, you shouldn't jump in at them mother and all the way, all the way, and
And
create
that you say and she
problem.
you what?
Side chick.
We're not chick
From
to
when
you.
she a side chick. I'm
Me
a
a
friend you
chicken?
talk about.
We look like me a
When
feather.
she turn side chick. And now when me and you married.
The day when she said she was going to give me back peace.
Hey! What day that is, it really drop on your head. When me
So,
tell
hold
you
on,
that,
come back up here,
oh,
son.
dirty lie.
Wait. So hold on there. You they go behind me but they tell Shamin to give your peace. Me not give you.
She offered me the apple. She said
You liars!
she said the
Stop
apple.
tell
She
lie.
said the apple wants ripe and now something picky.
I told decided to
I'm
attack.
not even going
I
to say
tell her to
nothing.
my wife, nah, give me nothing, my wife. Make me lay down on the side of the corner of the bed. She said me can lay down in a fair bed fully.
Stop tell lie. God will
can-
strike you down.
No.
So wait,
Me
let me
tell you no say, no feel look for me, we always come a yard, come go no money. Because I pay a gunman there on there, so on the left, you could have get taken when you say on the wicked.
Girls, let me tell you about dead dog father.
Hello.
A chicken coop him sleep. That's why I asked you earlier, where we not gonna stay?
Which part you live around a Western? You have space around if you take him in and in luggage over there over my yard?
Chicken coop.
So when me make put out your this time for good now and forever, in Jesus' name, amen. How you go?
Alright, let me explain how they
Explain now.
Alright.
You're not going to explain so. Kneel down.
14 years ago.
Kneel down before me shut your box.
Me, they have arthritis.
You should have think about that.
Right? But them mother supermarket, them mother couldn't pay for the bill. Use the last money when we couldn't send the daughter go to school for 2 weeks. And I same thing go see your daughter. We couldn't send him for 2 weeks. We take big boss and pay for them mother go to school, right? Get the number. And so the time when we did it on the phone and I tell her, say,
you know no money.
Me not no money at the
That time you have the money.
And the mama did ask me for money.
So you take the how much money and go do right.
Right. And then the partner money now, the 200,000. Me take big boss and carry go there.
My 200,000. My 200, Jesus Christ. And more than that you take from me.
What not about? Who for 200,000? How for money?
The partner money when me throw. The money when me she always.
So you're not gone into the money you take from me and free with daughter?
That's the money they spend out at club with the friend them. Toga the boots me I say for buy him sleep on top of him. And then the first
who name Toga?
One of my nigga. And him boost me for breed them.
And him push it in there, mother them.
Really ask this a big old jackass I say.
Him take you for idiots, you know? Him take you for idiots.
Original ship you left on, you know?
No! Them mother supposed to tell them the story, say then them mother get pregnant in a banana walk.
Let me feel it.
Me not tell you, sir, hold on.
The heap lie them where you turn up your so and tell in front of your 2 child.
Him not care.
2 children. A matter of fact, cause I know 1. Let me correct myself. In front of your 2 children, them are twin. You can't say they are all identical. You really disown your 2 pitney them in front of we.
No, me never.
Especially me.
Never call them
Especially me. Oi.
No.
Oi,
just
turn around.
clarify.
Especially me we take you in back. We shouldn't even take you in back.
Me accept one as family same way. Me not say niece. I still accept. I never deny you know. Me could have said me no know no. Me could have said on a thief. Me could have said on a robber.
You're real. Candy. Nobody go
Look
prison for this. Don't go prison
oh, you
for
gonna
this.
tell me?
You know worth it.
Say you and them not related. Me idiot. If you even didn't say you and them, my sister would have believed same way.
Yeah, but me say I'm a niece and you never believe. You never believe.
I know your niece, me don't know say you pick me your 2 lie.
I look on your company road, you know this a tight so like you.
Nobody try pretend to use a father now. You spend on it. Nobody try pretend to be a father now.
Man in the lane.
Don't try pretend be a father now.
What you have in my bag?
Dirty dog.
Huh?
What you have in my bag? Where they come from?
No, listen.
Where they come
from?
Where they come from?
Me and Toga did have a drink.
Every minute you call this damn blasted boy when you Toga mother
You
like
know walk
to
with
meet
no
him. So
money.
Toga,
As usual, you know walk with no money.
So what left you?
As usual.
So what left you? Money still left, man. Money left.
You better take that for your rent.
Hold on, let me
Take that for your rent.
Who for rent for with us? Him by the board, me by the nail, but I'm responsible.
Charge you rent that me talk about. Don't touch me the curse yourself.
Rum bar and you buy a 1 drink. It don't work. You buy a second one, it tastes good. When you buy a third one, you pull it in. You buy a 4th and a 5th and a 6th. And then you know the bartender they have a dirty style in have no jazz.
Jesus
When you climb
Christ.
up on the tall chair, you take big boat and give it.
Lord, the 13-year-old picnic them here, you know.
Shut your mouth because me see you with the dolly. Me see you with the dolly. One night. Me see you with the dolly. Don't tell me nothing. Me see you. Me need to clap you on your nose, you know. But me just bypass it. But if you things that you talk about.
Man, to call me eye. Put on your hand. And what kind of conversation them they are all in front of you?
Baby them. You know, no, them a baby, them legal.
Put down your hand. Put it down.
You should have this.
Put down your hand and turn up straight. You're too out order. Huh? And you see you? You see you in my house. And they come go on like I say, want style me.
You do
Show me
her
no
bad.
take you in. And me
do
take
her
you
bad.
in. And that you do.
Don't put your foot on my face.
And you take money where you did forgive me. Partner money and go give people and breed them.
But see results, at least you get good results. 2 trophies.
Put on your hand. 2 trophies where you just at this one and say your niece. You're a worthless boy. Dirty rich. You're too worthless man.
But you should have proud of me. Which man don't go there?
Proud of you with what?
I'm going to spend.
Proud of you with what?
Put on your hand.
How bun cheese and corn bun we get?
Where? Look how many trophy them. Brown and fruit.
So how many more is there?
You know,
how many more accidents is there and hold on in a bush is there?
That tell us something.
Big up yourself.
Me glad me test
Big up
myself.
yourself. You close them in this way. You from over
me
me.
test myself and I am all clear.
Everything done.
Where they come from?
Bar.
Yeah. So you know no money left. How much money that? $35 or $45?
$35 can buy one bag juice.
When you're thirsty, because the journey where you have to go out now. You're not sleeping in my yard. You're not sleep over my yard tonight.
Why?
Why? Because you're damn fool and stupid. And you can't keep your private in your pants. You can't keep your private in your pants. But if you're evil, then go and go do
God always provide a witness.
But
if you're evil, you go hide and do something. You're not even use protection.
No. You're in danger, way. You're in danger,
and what you do already, you can't do again. How much years after me find out, say when get pick me outside? And you see how much years now we can't find out after?
Why you so special that you can't catch disease?
You're too wicked. You're too wicked, man.
God bless you. You're too wicked.
You're too wicked. You're too wicked, man. You're too wicked. You like your style.
Alright, let me confess now.
Confess! Come on, you say that's why piss pot from morning. Confess! You that's what it me from morning, me left in a bed asleep. You get up and find yourself a rum bar. If me go over there, and me watch people dirty clothes from morning, if you sitting for them. Me dey hungry belly drunk crow. And me dey sorry for you, and me have to do what me dey do.
Why? Alright, why me go get them?
Me say if you dash where the piss pot.
No, me did catch in the corner.
Well, hey!
But
you take him back in your house.
Why me go cheat?
So me not get no front.
This is the time when they did lock shop on me. And I give to the burger man.
Which no tell no lie for me, you too look at the chow. You too
can't even lie.
No tell no lie for me. Which burger?
And you.
Don't bring me into this.
Where you get that story from? Me did all argument on no burger man.
The JPS man back to put on back your light.
Which light? The light we did cut off over yard?
Over here, yeah.
Oh, really?
I don't know say not pay no light bill.
Okay.
Me good on
Camilo like you.
So you know that you tell lie for me about what burger argument go on which man?
No, listen.
So talk it out now. Which burger man you talk about?
The truth if it bites.
Liar! Which burger man you talk about? Wicked. You know, give me front to find out say you cheat. You're too wicked and lie.
So
and then when you breed me again, kind of like use protection, you dirty dog.
Why you give me 3 burger that night there?
3 which burger? And people dirty clothes me wash and you did that dead for hungry. One me did give you your teeth the other 2. You're too friggin' lie.
Me know what teeth you did just in a me and me just take and eat it. Like he said, see me, take me. I'm going to take up your eat it. You say, alright, baby, you eat it, so that's fine.
I take that back in your house, Candy. You didn't think you have sense, girl.
You know what I say, give me it. And you say, yo. And I right place to come. You see, she will make us suffer.
Hey, stop tell lie. Stop tell lie about my friend.
I really that you tell it all like up in them?
The amount of tin mackerel over here. They know tin mackerel.
Him give the 2 away bun.
So who buy tin mackerel over there?
And we kick him out.
Tin mackerel?
She take him back in her house out of kindness. We run him.
Send me.
Everything I'll tell you about is liar.
Our rice, our flour. So you come and chat about them and them things. Okay, so you breed John Crow. So you breed woman out the road. You breed woman out the road. You breed woman out the road and they give them chicken and steaks and fish and lobster and give wheat in mackerel and rice.
Because when they spend on them, come on, we carry them home. Go carry
them which one?
To your home.
Where
your place to carry them.
Which one?
Up there.
Up a roof yard. For me yard?
You want them in bill?
Which part? For me yard, them are going not for you. My yard, not yours. My yard, no boardhouse can't turn up without nail. Move your rotted
election call and you lose your seat. Election call and you lose your seat. Run, dirty dog, run.
You too.
Watch him. Run! God always provides witness. That's a 4.
Yes.
We're now gonna take long to get to
man,
10.
he beat them till police lock up them backside. You know, alright. Watch him now, you.
Dog.
Wait till me come home tonight.
What if we never sit there and catch breeze?
You hear me tell like me about burger and
You know.
Can I try to take
Everything and him can't even lie.
You never see one man so wicked that him and this one him own a pick me and say
You see me a laugh. You see me a laugh.
I feed wheat and tin mackerel and go breed woman and give them salt.
Me done with that long time.
Watch me out till me come up. Wait till I come up
Me
later.
not gonna even take revenge. Me done.
Dirty dog.